So many fights going on in Bollywood right now. Oh my god. Very little love, a whole lot of war. Right now, Ranveer Singh's favorite song is Na De Dil Tu XL Nu Teru Nitda Rona Pe Jaunga.
Wow, dude. Whoa.
There we go.
Just look
There
at
we go.
Antariksh's face. He's so proud
Proud,
of that
bro.
intro.
Yeah.
1 hour ago he had thought of it.
यार पता है normally so Antariksh takes this much time for an intro.
Yeah.
But it's bad
But
still.
yeah, but it's just that
Wow, baby. He was going the other way, you know.
I swear I was like
He was going to say something nice.
Sorry.
कीर्ति
I
के
thought-
लिए
Oh, now I know till what point Kirti watches our episodes.
I watched the full episode.
कीर्ति के लिए ना वो घर का मुर्गा दाल बराबर
Yeah,
है।
bro. Really, no
हाँ,
appreciation,
क्योंकि-
no respect, huh?
हर 5 मिनट में मुझे इंट्रो देता है रूम में बैठ के।
Like imagine कीर्ति घर पे अंतरिक्ष रूम में एंटर कर रहा है so welcome
Yeah, like I feel like Kramer from Seinfeld, dude. Like, hey, Jerry.
No, what he does is he'll be like, "Oh, baby, I have to show you something." And before showing that something, he'll give me the whole gist of that something for 10-15
Bro,
minutes.
Bro,
so basically
You gotta
And
set up.
then-
You gotta set up.
your life is a big pop conversation
My life-
episode
Yeah, man.
Yes,
We
Filmy
got- see-
Colada. I'm living
Dude,
Filmy Colada.
Everything I am gonna show you. This sounds very wrong.
wow I'm gonna be a
Yeah.
third wheeler
Yeah,
on
bro.
my own podcast
I was gonna
today.
say, you know what I was gonna say? Anything I'm gonna show you needs introduction. Wrong, dude. Oh my god. Wow. From what अच्छा खासा start किया था मैंने.
वापस से गा दो वापस से.
ना दिल दे
तू एक्सेल नु तेरू नित्ता रोना पे जाऊंगा. Oh,
bro,
mind blown, bro.
crazy. The
Mind blown.
only thing better than this is butter chicken from Delhi. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Whoa.
Yeah, right up there, bro.
Wow.
Right
nice,
up there.
nice.
Too
Uh, that's what the episode is about, by the way, guys. Hello and welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Antish Thakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Kirti.
yeah, Kirti's back
On popular demand.
on popular demand, on
नीचे
Pop
लोग-
Conversation
नी-
demand.
नी- नीचे
Too
लोग
sweet.
लिख रहे थे तुम लोग अब बोरिंग होते जा रहे हो.
हाँ.
Can you please get कीर्ति for some
कहाँ
fun?
किसने लिखा है?
भाई
मैंने तो नहीं पढ़ा.
comments में यही आ रहा है कि
बहुत often आता है.
हाँ
Thanks.
स्नेल चूतिया अंतरिक्ष चूतिया
कि-
बास चूतिया कीर्ति कहाँ है?
अंतरिक्ष को निकालो, कीर्ति को लाओ. ये आता है.
भाई एक कमेंट को तो ना मैंने एक्चुअली रिप्लाई किया था. समवन वाज लाइक कि गाइस व्हाई आर यू स्टिल रिकॉर्डिंग विद अंतरिक्ष.
Yeah.
ये तो मैंने उसका रिप्लाई किया. मैंने कहा भाई
वो कीर्ति ने किया था.
इसका इंट्रो बंद कराओ मैंने.
रिप्लाई किया. मैंने कहा भाई घर भी उसका है इक्विपमेंट्स भी उसकी
भाई
है.
सब कुछ मेरा है भाई. क्या करेंगे ये लोग? क्या करेंगे मेरा?
हम लोग को पॉडकास्ट के बाद खाना भी वही खिलाता है.
Yes.
Oh भाई.
This is like the
How will we
cricket
survive?
match जहाँ पे
How will we
बैट और
survive?
बॉल अंतरिक्ष
Yeah.
का है.
मेरा हो गया. मैं जा रहा हूँ. Yeah,
मतलब मैं
exactly.
बैट लेके घर जा रहा हूँ.
Exactly. So, big exciting episode today.
Yes.
We're gonna talk about all the crazy,
Horrors.
horrible,
Horrifying.
horrific, horrifying
Yes.
fights and wars.
all the adjectives जिसमें horror से start हो रहा है sentence
And why is that? Because
Because-
the day this releases,
is Friday the 13th.
ideally,
देखो या तो ये Valentine's Day पे
Yeah.
release होगा which is 14th of
Which is
February.
also horrifying and
Uh,
cringe.
Yeah, मतलब
So-
because
oh, Valentine's is horrifying and cringe.
Yeah, I hate
Thanks, baby. This is our
Valentine's.
second Valentine's together. Are you complete dead to romance?
that's what you do to women.
What the hell, baby? What the hell?
No, I hate Valentine's since the get-go. Since I have been single for a long time, and my old
भूल गए क्या? हम शादी हो गई हमारी.
my old
Since I've been single for a very long
Huh?
time.
since फिर बाद में अब मैं नहीं हूँ सिंगल बट मेरा जो ओल्ड सिंगल सेल्फ था वो उसकी सॉलिडारिटी में आई विल ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट वैलेंटाइन्स इज क्रिंज.
चलो
I mean-
that is nice.
Yeah, agreed. And also, it is cringe. ऐसे तो
Is it?
think about it.
I don't know, man. Like, see,
It's anything that forces you to be romantic.
it's not about
It's
forcing.
cringe,
I think Valentine's Day is जैसे वो नहीं होता कि आप अब obviously अगर Mother's Day, Father's Day, Friendship Day, ये day, वो day, you obviously love your friends all year through, right? You love your parents, but it's just that one day where you just show extra love, where you celebrate like just going out of the way. So probably
Sure.
Valentine's Day could be one of those days. Obviously, you are not saying कि आज मैं 14 तारीख को ही अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से प्यार करता हूँ, उसके अलावा वो नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
बट उसको वीक करने की क्या जरूरत थी? प्रॉमिस डे,
अरे यार है ना, लोगों का प्यार बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. फिर उसको रिडीम करने के लिए फिर स्लैप डे आता है ना 15 तारीख को.
बाद में. अच्छा, तुम उस स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से आ रहे हो.
यार तो जिसको वैलेंटाइंस डे मनाना है वैलेंटाइंस डे मनाए. 15 तारीख को महाशिवरात्रि है, 15 तारीख को महाशिवरात्रि मना ले.
ठीक है.
वाह यार.
Thanks, I guess.
Guys,
Thank you for
spoken
that.
like proper anti-Romeo squad.
सिंगल हूँ तो मेरे को ऐसा ही स्टैंड लेना पड़ेगा.
स्नेल ने ग्रीन भी इसलिए पहना है कि वो गार्डन्स में कैमोफ्लेज होके डंडे मारे कपल्स को.
Bro, yesterday, so we were actually supposed to record yesterday, Tuesday को. I actually wore a t-shirt by Human. So there's this brand called Human. उस t-shirt पे लिखा हुआ है All I need is love. I was like, podcast recording पे I will throw in myself out here like,
Yeah.
दोस्तों,
All you
all I need is love. Very
Nice.
desperately single.
But instead you wore light a fire.
Yeah. Bro, this is from Badshah the rapper's brand.
Actually looks quite good, man.
है
I
ना?
don't know.
It's called Bad Fit.
भाई तू सेलिब्रिटी कपड़े खरीदते जा
Same.
भाई.
I'll tell you why. See, I'll tell you why.
Oh
Because
yes, give us an excuse.
genuinely, like these celebrity brands जिनसे मैं खरीद पा रहा हूँ कपड़े, they are not very expensive, and
But
because
still-
Bro, okay, कितने का रहा हो ये?
bro, this is 1200.
Oh,
That's great. I
1200
good,
or
yeah.
1800, something along those
भाई ये
lines.
तो अच्छा है.
Bro, that's what. So I think इसका
ये तो
price
मस्त है.
is around 3000 या 4000
Oh, it was on
और
sale.
50% off पे मिल रहा था मुझे.
Oh.
So 1500 या 2000 के
उसके लिए तो
करीब
मस्त है
That's
bro.
not
Okay,
bad.
fair.
Exactly.
fair, fair.
So अभी
बट
मैं
तुम इसके 1200 से अपनी सारी शॉपिंग जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सकते. हमने देखा है तुम क्या
ब्रो
क्या
मैं एक्चुअली पता है क्या सोच
Yeah.
रहा था डूड. सो अभी हमने रिसेंटली घर शिफ्ट किया है, सो हमने पूरा ट्रक भर के जो सारे कपड़े जूते ये सब आए हैं. तो आई वाज लिटरली थिंकिंग कि भाई जॉब वॉब छोड़ के व्लॉग स्टार्ट कर रहा था ना अबाउट कि हाउ रेकलेस आई हैव बीन स्पेंडिंग. कि दोस्तों आज मैंने जो इररिस्पांसिबल डिसीजन लिया है, वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग नंबर 23. इसमें मैंने सबसे इररिस्पांसिबल डिसीजन ये लिया है कि 40,000 के जूते खरीदे मैंने. यही मुझे मारो क्योंकि मेरे पास नौकरी नहीं है.
Correct, dude. Please check out my other podcast, Penda Bendo. We talk about something very similar.
Bro, invite me as a guest. I have a lot of things.
You will have,
Really?
yeah, that's
Bro,
true.
a lot of things
Yeah,
that
yeah,
are absolutely not needed for the survival.
That's true.
But
That's
it's
true.
just
You'll
that,
make for a
like,
great
they're
guest. I'll try and make
Sneakers.
this.
Sneakers.
About sneakers, you get sneakers. You
Bro.
get a whole collection of sneakers.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
would make for an epic episode.
Bro,
actually.
sneakers.
Damn.
I'm pitching myself as as a guest on the show. Insanely stupid money I've spent on sneakers. It is.
Dude, we just
I am a
talking
very
about
stupid
Valentine's.
person.
Talking about Valentine's, we just
Yes.
found out a friend gifted you a 30,000 rupees sneakers.
Yeah.
What?
Bro, she's like one of the closest. So I've very
And
two
how
very
long
close
back?
friends.
How long back was this?
My birthday, 17 Jan.
Yeah,
Abhi-
the
Yeah, yeah.
sneakers he was
Abhi,
wearing on
The
the live
sneakers
shoot.
that I wore on the live show,
shoot.
those
Oh.
are Travis Scott's trainers. And
क्या मेरे दोस्त सुन
but
रहे
then-
हैं?
but
क्या
then-
मेरे दोस्त सुन रहे हैं पॉडकास्ट?
But if you're wearing Travis Scott's trainers, how is he training?
see, अच्छा intro, खराब jokes.
Hey bro,
balance.
yeah, that's how do I avoid getting made fun of by Kirti? Bad jokes.
Yeah, then I'll not make fun.
Yeah, exactly.
Because then I have
Because
empathy.
then the world is making fun of me. What? You don't need it.
ये क्या था?
She's
Comfort.
feeling bad. She's feeling bad. Like she's feeling bad, dude. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. So okay, you.
हाँ, so I
30,000.
have two very close friends. एक कशिश है जो मेरे को कभी गिफ्ट नहीं देता. Being the guy friend that any guy would have. And then there's Vidhi. She is my closest friend. And she recently gifted me these sneakers. She knew that I wanted these sneakers for a very long time.
But bro, now you know you have to one up her.
Yeah,
and give her something.
I've bought something for her.
That is about 40,000.
No, it's not 40,000, of
Oh my
course.
God.
But then-
32,000.
Prices
like,
से नहीं
but then I
बोलते
bought
gift
something
को.
like good for her.
like
yeah.
significantly
like,
expensive.
हाँ,
हाँ,
expensive.
yeah, yeah.
Which is way out of my budget. तो
हाँ,
उधार लेके खरीदा
that's
मैंने.
good.
But ठीक है.
Wow, yaar.
Credit card.
That's why you moved into a smaller house. Nice, dude. When things work out, dude.
Yeah. So I had to move to a smaller house to get a gift for her. But yeah.
Great friends you are. You guys are great
Yes.
friends.
So, dude, like, okay, so Kirti and I will now celebrate our second Valentine's Day after marriage together.
Yeah.
Okay, हमारा तो चल ही रहा है, जो भी चल रहा है, ठीक है. No, अच्छा
What
चल
do
रहा
you
है. No, अच्छा ही चल रहा है. What I'm saying, like, who's interested in knowing about what our love life is like,
Sure,
etc., etc.
sure.
But where are you at, man? Are you dating someone? Are
नहीं
you
यार.
going out on dating app dates? What are you doing?
अब बताओ, अब हमारी बोरिंग है, इसका तो कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा. अब
Oh,
बताओ.
फिर तो हम बता देते हैं. फिर तो हम ही बात कर देते हैं.
मैं कहता रहा हूँ, मैं टी-शर्ट पहन के आने वाला था, all I need is love.
Oh, yeah, correct.
जो लड़कियां देख रही हैं, potential single,
Please send
वो
in your
please
resumes.
slide into the DM
Please.
of Snail and Aja.
Find him on jeevansathi.com.
Bro, my dad gave me like a 45-50 minute lecture the other day. He was
Okay.
like, भाई बूढ़े हो रहे हो, शादी कर लो. मैंने कहा यार
Parents
पापा.
तो ठीक है. अब
पेरेंट्स
ये
का तो काम ही है, क्या करे
This
वैसे.
is
He literally was like,
how old?
I'm
Sorry,
29.
I should not.
It's fine,
Okay.
it's fine, it's okay.
How old is your dad?
No,
No,
how old is he?
is-
I was going
मैं
to
पूछने
ask.
वाली
यार,
थी.
हाँ, okay. You're 29.
29.
हाँ, तो अब
But yeah, you have 5 months. I don't get it.
So my dad actually said this, कह रहे बेटा देखो जुम्मा 7-8 महीने बचे हैं, फिर तुम्हारी
My dad said, जुम्मा दे दे. जुम्मा दे दे.
उम्र के आगे 3 लग जाएगा, फिर तुम बूढ़े हो जाओगे, तो फिर कोई पॉइंट नहीं है शादी वादी का. He
क्या,
said
इसमें
he-
point ही नहीं है?
he said- and the
Point ही
bro,
नहीं है.
he married when he was 31.
Bro, yeah, dude. I married when I was 33, dude. What the
And
fuck,
he
32?
just told me it's like फिर कोई point नहीं है.
33?
No, I was 31. No,
हाँ,
it's
जैसे
been- yeah.
मतलब
Yeah, I'm 30 right now, यार. You get it. You get it.
So he was like 30 के बाद तो कोई point ही नहीं है, छोड़ देना, फिर रहने
Oh
देना.
God. Please, girls, slide into the DM.
नहीं यार, ये मेरा मैट्रिमोनियल एपिसोड क्यों बनता है?
7-8 महीने.
Guys, tell us your dating preferences of about Snehal in the comments below.
Of course.
हाँ, देखो green flag बन गया है आज.
Ah, nice.
Thank you, Te.
Let's light a fire under his ass. Okay. Talking about fire and Jalan. The first thing we're going to talk about.
आप लोग नहीं बताने वाले थे कि अपना वैलेंटाइन स्टार्ट तो आपने वैसे ही किया था.
Oh,
We have never celebrated Valentine's.
क्या बात कर
so
रहे हो?
never मतलब
मतलब we have not celebrated.
क्या होता है यार?
इतना अनरोमांटिक मत
इतना
मेरे को
भी-
पोर्ट्रे करो.
मतलब on purpose.
like we don't
Consciously,
yeah we're not
we
like
have
we're not
not.
exchanging gifts. We've always gone out for dinner or something.
Yeah.
That's basically it.
Or-
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah, we do love going out for dinner. That's our one of our
Or
favorite
travel.
things. Or travel. Yeah,
Nice,
that's our
cute.
favorite. Yes.
Cute.
Yeah. By the way, Kirti has just before we started, Kirti gave us this amazing coffee that she's
Bro, that is some amazing
That she has
coffee
figured
you've
out.
discovered,
Thanks,
bro.
yeah.
okay with fucking date syrup,
Date syrup,
coconut jaggery,
भाई मुझे पता ही नहीं था कोकोनट जैगरी
Yeah.
exist
मुझे
करता
भी नहीं
है
पता
भाई.
था.
Davidoff chocolate mocha coffee.
Wow, bro.
Okay,
Crazy.
and the final touch is a coffee whisker.
मतलब
That machine
Yeah,
thingy,
yeah.
and that thing just gives you that jhag on the top. Oh,
नहीं भाई
Too
वो
good,
कॉफी
too
क्रेजी
good.
है. वो
Yeah.
कॉफी
Good.
क्रेजी है.
I have stopped buying coffee from places now at any.
yeah, we are also trying to like. So there is a new coffee place called Tuscan Coffee. Okay, shout out
जहाँ पे
Tuscan
आप हमें
Coffee.
लेके गए थे.
Correct.
नहीं वो penguin bean थी.
हाँ वो penguin with
अच्छा, okay.
But Tuscan Coffee is another one. There's only 2 outlets right now. The third one is opening in Lokhandwala. It's very good and very
भाई
addictive.
लोकल वाला मेरे घर के बगल में है, मस्त है.
Yeah. So Tuscan Coffee is very good. The thing is, but she has now figured out this amazing coffee.
Now spending 500
Yeah. So now
for
exactly.
one
dude.
round
yeah,
of
man.
coffee.
Seems like too much.
Not worth it.
Coffee seems like overkill now to buy from outside. When घर पे इतनी मस्त coffee बन रही है and I can make it whenever I want in 5
नहीं
minutes.
this is
It's
nice.
so
This
easy.
is crazy coffee.
Yeah.
Crazy coffee.
I'll link.
हम लोग यहाँ पे उसका
Reel- मैंने
वो
reel
बना
पर
देंगे.
देखा
No,
था.
we'll make a reel of Kirti making the coffee and then
What?
dude,
नहीं that's
yes,
too much.
we'll do it. We'll do it. Put it here.
रेसिपी
Put it here.
नहीं जिस बंदे की मैंने रील देखी थी वो बंदे की रील
अरे
लिंक
तुम
कर दूंगी.
कंटेंट चोरी क्यों नहीं कर रही हो भाई?
हाँ भाई, क्या हम
नॉर्मल
content-
कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स की तरह प्लीज कंटेंट चोरी करो.
Yeah, we have to. We want to build up your Instagram.
नहीं ऑफिस जाना है सुबह.
बढ़िया. टॉकिंग अबाउट लव एंड वॉर. यस.
Okay, guys. No. We had actually earlier mentioned something about Jalan. So I was like,
Oh, Jalan.
coffee with Jalan.
Coffee with Jalan. Oh God.
I was like, let's start with the least interesting one
oh
first.
yeah, dude. That's
But actually, okay, quickly, what has happened is that Carrie Minati, okay, as a lot of people have also done before this, made a spoof of Coffee with Karan.
Yeah.
Okay, another episode. But being the Carrie Minati that he is, okay, this guy uses every second sentence. Okay, like if it wasn't,
you could have said abuses every second sentence.
yeah, but how
you
will they
just
understand
had
what
to
I
say
mean? Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
because that's his entire
Yeah,
video,
fair.
dude.
Yeah,
Every
I
other
agree.
thing is either or या फिर के अंदर कुछ है जैसे कि
हाँ.
you know, I mean, I'd make those jokes. Shit, I just realized, shit, damn it. dude. Am I Carrie Minati? Oh, shit. Okay. So, all this shit happened, okay? Like, he made like a long 20-minute almost video,
16,
16,
17
minute
minute
video,
video,
where he played multiple characters. The first guest that he played himself was Ranveer Singh, then Salman Khan, and then the great Khali, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, this video comes out. A lot of people in the comments don't really like it. Okay?
Yeah, they are like कि Carrie is still in 2016.
Yeah.
Oh.
Carrie की audience evolve हो गई, Carrie नहीं हुआ.
But Carrie तो अभी downfall चल रहा
Oh,
है
Carrie is
उसका,
not
हाँ.
able to carry on anymore.
It's
Yeah,
downfall.
basically.
Yeah. So that, and then it seems like, okay, at least to me, कि if this public backlash to some extent hadn't started in the comments of that video or whatever, and then on social media followed by that, Karan Johar would have done nothing about it. Okay?
Okay.
But because already public sentiment was against Carrie, Karan Johar seems like doubled down on that and has filed and sued a case,
Yeah.
a case against
Carrie
Carrie Minotti
in Bombay High
saying defamation. What is he saying? What is the
Defamation.
saying defamation? Which, dude, this should come
Overkill.
in all fairness, this should come under fair use. This shouldn't be defamation.
क्यों?
Dude, I don't think this. Dude, jokes are jokes. Okay, in the sense, a person making a joke is not saying कि oh this ये video देख के करण जौहर को क्या offend होएगा. नहीं, ये video देख के मेरे बाकी जो audience है क्या हंसेगी. That's what he's thinking. That's his intention. His intention is obviously not to, make offense to someone
But
else
then, bhai,
or offend
you
someone
have
else.
to draw a line also, na, bhai.
There's
when-
no line to be drawn.
But
I
this is
feel.
not the first time that people have made. Not that it's right, sure, but for Karan to get into the Keechad himself.
Yeah,
to
this is
do
not needed. This is
is
above him, dude. This should be
unrequired.
above him.
Yeah, it's thought about, but then again, you never know what hits someone where, no?
100%, dude. But then now, if he's saying this in public, firstly, he is showing us his chinks in the chinks in his armor.
But now that he has a court order, now he knows that nobody can do this.
But it's very hypocrite coming from Karan Johar, who himself makes so
Dude,
much
firstly
fun
that.
of so many people.
Firstly, that. Like,
on
who
his
are you
own
to
show.
say that the language I'm using is wrong? Because that's clearly okay. See, okay. In fairness to Karan, right? Carrie makes a lot of seemingly homophobic jokes also, right?
Of course.
Now
he
that
does.
I understand taking offense to, of course. Okay, if that is why Karan Johar has filed defamation case, fine, dude. I can understand that. But still, I feel this should be above Karan. At where Karan's level is, he is looked at
Yeah,
as a
I
certain
think,
individual,
bhai,
certain professional.
Are you like undermining the reach that Carrie has? Carrie की छोटी reach नहीं है. See again.
That's also
it,
true.
It doesn't match with Karan Johar. I agree. Karan Johar का stature, Karan Johar की reach,
Yeah.
वो international है. But then again, Carrie is not 5,000, 10,000 views. हमारे जैसा नहीं है Carrie.
Sure.
भाई Carrie has literally done films with Ajay Devgan and like as
Oh, yeah.
roles, जो छोटे roles, special appearances. Bhai, he is fucking making content with Logan Paul and KSI and Mr. Beast and all these people, dude. He's not a small creator anymore.
So then, like, okay, see.
No, he has not been a small creator for a while.
I
He
agree.
has been big
See,
since
I'll tell
a while.
you. See, again, bhai, क्या होता है ना? जैसे you transition, you grow, you change, you adapt, right? अभी क्या है? अब जैसे मैं आपको भुवन बाम को एग्जांपल देता हूँ. भुवन बाम is also not an abuse-free creator, right?
Sure.
He has been doing these sketches and everything. वो dubs भी निकालता था, if you guys remember.
Yes.
Parties के dubs निकालता था.
Yes.
But the moment you start growing, you start realizing that this content is puhad content at the end of the day.
But that's the thing. Carrie is not growing.
Carrie's not growing. I think
Carrie's not-
that's
yeah.
something that we should like.
Okay, okay. Let me. If you scale back, zoom
Yeah.
out of the whole thing, no, this is kind of similar to, I mean, at a very small scale, okay, but kind of in regard, like people taking offense or something you said, similar to what happened to Latent, right? Some person said some random shit, okay, and people took offense, but do those people deserve that kind of backlash or whatever? A joke, I will always stand on the side of jokes. In a sense,
I
dumb
agree.
jokes are dumb jokes, but they're still jokes.
I completely agree, bhai. But what happened with Latent was not targeting a person. This is a 16-minute video targeting a person or like people.
It's not. Is it really targeting
मतलब
Karan?
यार, obviously
It's
ना यार,
content,
आप
dude. It's spoof content. अब वो
It
parody
is.
content तो parody content. Parody
it
content
is.
तो ऐसे धूम मूवी का वो घूम बना था. That's तो parody को ऐसे तो.
नहीं, I agree. See again. Because
And again, अगर हम if we keep stopping parody content will never come forth
by
only.
parody content or मतलब सी अगेन हम कौन होते हैं ये डिसाइड करने वाले या क्या कि किसको क्या खराब
Yeah,
लग रहा है
of
क्या
course.
सही लग रहा है
Of course.
And
This is just our opinion.
कंटेंट के साथ साथ आपको थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी रखनी चाहिए ना यार.
But again, वही मेरा point है. Carrie is desperate at this point, is what I feel. उसका content नहीं work करना. This has been a discussion for a while everywhere that his time is over. Nobody is watching him, and this is what he does to maybe garner some attention.
That's what I think.
And to give him that attention, then
I
is
like
the
this essay.
problem.
I like this essay. Like a channel with under 5K subscribers is talking about Carrie को views ही नहीं मिल रहे. Fuck Carrie views, bro.
नहीं, it's not about that. I think again भाई वही बात है ना कि with time what was funny and in 2014 15 with the limited knowledge
Fair.
we had is not funny
Fair.
anymore in
Absolutely fair.
2026.
I understand what you're saying. I also understand why Karan might have gotten offended.
Yeah, dude.
But
Within the first 50 seconds of the video you
Yeah.
can have like fucking
Correct.
5 things
See.
that you can take offense at.
take offense, dude. Take offense. But then keep the offense to yourself. You don't have to go and sue people and file a case against people because that makes it seem like you feel you are more important. Like, are you above being made fun of? Can people not parody you? in
That I
public?
don't agree with. That I don't agree with. I would say it's immaterial to give Carrie Minati so much attention by Karan Johar.
Fair.
That's what
That's
my
also, yeah.
take on this is. He
Either
is
way,
problematic. The humor is crass. The video we tried to watch it and
देख भी नहीं
Dude,
पाए
देख भी
भाई,
नहीं पाए, वो
देख
तो
भी
है।
it
नहीं
was
पाए वो video.
intolerable.
Dude,
Yeah.
again, he's coming at it कि I'm doing something, trying to be funny, dude.
I
You
get
have
it.
to give people that leeway to try to be funny. नहीं तो
हाँ.
humor won't exist if people don't have the opportunity to fail. They're not allowed to fail at being funny. Then you cannot be
यार,
funny.
पता नहीं but maybe not at other people's expense I guess.
यार, so okay, see.
Like आपने अर्जुन कपूर के comment section देखा आपने? Are you aware of that?
Very funny, but that must hurt him like hell.
That's
Again,
that's
yeah.
what I'm
Mean,
saying.
mean,
That
mean.
is mean. That's
But
so there's
does that mean people should not? There should be a case against someone defend like कि अर्जुन कपूर के ऊपर तुम कुछ बोल नहीं सकते.
अगेन
Doesn't mean that.
वो वाले कमेंट्स डेफेमेशन के अंडर नहीं आएंगे. वो वाले कमेंट्स दे आर जस्ट मीन एंड पीपल probably don't have that much sense कि भाई किसी को इतना पर्सनली अगर तुम टारगेट करे जा रहे हो at after a point that actually start like कभी तो वो pierce through करेगा ना आपके उसके क्या कहते हैं thick skin को.
I mean, see, for sure,
It's
bro.
just
I
that
understand.
कि भाई I'll tell you what happens ना, हमें लगता है कि वो पंच अप वाला कॉन्सेप्ट आ जाता है इन जगहों पे मोस्टली. ठीक है कि आपको पता है दैट आप उस स्टैचर को किसी भी तरीके से मैच नहीं कर पा रहे, हार्म नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं. एंड क्योंकि वो पब्लिक आए में है तो हम लोग पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी समझ के उसका फन हम लोग भी वही कर रहे हैं. हम लोग बस थोड़ा सोच समझ के कर रहे हैं और जिस पे हम बात कर रहे हैं शायद उसने उतना सोच समझ के नहीं किया होगा.
Bro, who are we? See,
But to be fair, it is not very shocking because Karan Johar in the past has been very vocal about how much criticism he gets, and sometimes it gets to him. Even in his book, he has written a lot of stuff about the criticism, bullying,
Yeah.
all that he gets. So
but I don't think
definitely-
he has sued people before this.
But maybe he wanted to just make an example out
Yeah,
of
make
this.
an
Maybe
example
that.
out of again na bhai, when you've walked those circles you like
Okay,
I
bro,
guess
so-
they,
so
like,
what I- what-
they take it more seriously then.
See what I'm saying, no? Where does it stop? Abhi now tomorrow, if we say something against Karan Johar, is he allowed to fucking sue us for this?
I mean, he
shouldn't
can.
Be, but he shouldn't be.
Bhai,
That
देखो,
we should be allowed to
listen,
make an
हम-
opinion about a public, person, public. क्या बोलते हैं? Public जो
But opinion
person who's
banana-
in the public eye.
he's not a public but यार
He's in the
he's
public
not a
eye.
public property.
Bro, property क्या होता है? He's a public persona,
Like,
public
यार, I think
he's in the
see,
public
I'll
eye,
tell
he's
you,
in
I think
the industry.
we should be allowed to give our opinions on the person's content and not the person himself.
You're saying we
feel.
shouldn't be allowed to talk about Karan Johar if he's wearing some wild clothes that we want to make fun of. We
That
can't
is
say
fine.
such shit.
That मतलब
Again, where does it stop? There is no end to stopping this.
वही तो
He can take offense to whatever he wants to take offense to, no? He'll be like, dude, I spent fucking 1 crore on these clothes. How can we make fun of them? I took offense. How will we stop him?
भाई offense लेना is different and उसको legally sue करना is different.
That's what I'm saying. He can get offended and sue you for making fun of him for anything if he wants. There's no end to this. If we open this, see, it's like a movie being made, right? Every movie has a right to be made, right?
Yeah.
Whether it's on whatever side of the political spectrum it is, it has a right to be made. Like in Manoj Bajpayee's famous words. Every movie का right है to be made. Now, how it is perceived is up to the public.
People, yeah.
Every joke has a right to be said, in my opinion. How it's perceived is how it's perceived, but it shouldn't be the end of your career because a joke didn't work. One video didn't work, that's the end of your career. That should absolutely not be the case. That's setting a very bad precedent and a very bad example,
But to
I
be
feel.
fair, we have not seen the whole clip and seen what the jokes are. But if they are extremely homophobic, it is wrong. And
100%.
homophobia is
Make that a
something
teaching moment. Don't make that
so,
a s-
so there is
So
a teaching
this is a
moment.
teaching moment.
Yeah, sure.
कि मतलब तुमने उस पे केस कर दिया that this is not gonna work.
discussing and making fun of someone on their or discussing about them basically कि ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया या कुछ भी बोलता है, that is one way. And other is just saying homophobic slurs which Carrie might have used. I wouldn't put it past him
Yeah.
because I have not
भाई
seen
वो तो
all
हमने
of it.
तीन तो हमने देखे
जितना-
हैं
तीन तो हमने ही देख लिए थे
हाँ,
भाई
तो
और हमने
then-
तो ऐसे ऐसे करके देखी है वीडियो स्किप
हाँ,
करके
वही,
10 सेकंड
हाँ,
50 सेकंड
तो अगर उस चीज से कोई इमोशनली भी ऑफेंड हो रहा है, नॉट इवन रैशनली ऑफेंस, मतलब कोई मतलब बहुत ही
But again,
वॉलेटाइल
dude, see.
रिएक्शन भी दे रहा है, तो आई वुडंट
See, but
मतलब-
again,
यू नो
I can, okay, it is wrong to be homophobic, but it is not illegal to be homophobic. You know what I mean? There's a difference. If someone is trying to make homophobic jokes, I hate that he's doing that, but he should still be allowed to do that.
Bro, no,
It's just
bro.
it, dude. There should not be a law against
Bro, then I
saying
think,
something because now you're scared to make jokes. You should
yeah,
not be
then,
scared to
like,
make jokes.
like, you know,
These are just jokes.
By your orientation is not to be made fun
Okay.
of also.
Okay,
now,
no,
भाई.
fair. See what I'm saying again is I don't believe at all that Carrie is actually homophobic in real life. I don't think he
Bhai,
is.
it's fine.
Okay.
Even if he's not,
Yeah.
even if he's not,
So,
then he should not
intention-
be. He should not be propagating that stuff through jokes also, na bhai. Considering that he knows that he comes from he comes at a point जहाँ पे उसको 30 million लोग देख रहे हैं.
Again,
उन
fair.
30
और
million में से
बच्चे.
भाई
I mean,
उन
again,
these
fair.
stupid
But
boys.
where do we where does
भाई-
it stop?
भाई थोड़ा-
if
भाई-
see, dude, if we
भाई
keep
क्या
criticizing
होता
the
है ना भाई?
government, if we keep criticizing the government about हमें बता दो कि free speech मतलब कितना है free speech, okay?
भाई ये तो थोड़ा भाई दिस इज नॉट ये तो भाई आप ऑन पेपर वाली बात पे जा रहे हो. थोड़ा एक मोरल कंपास तो सबके अंदर होता है ना भाई. इतना तो सबके अंदर होना चाहिए. अगेन इट इज सब्जेक्टिव बट
I'm not saying it's right.
but
I'm
then-
just saying or whatever. Morally, it can be incorrect. Okay?
It can be नहीं, it is. And second,
Whatever.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि भाई
Anything
कुछ
can be
चीजें-
morally
कुछ-
incorrect.
कुछ
But to
चीजें-
whom?
भाई
To
कुछ-
someone else, it
भाई-
might be morally fine to
भाई
to
कुछ
make these
चीजें
things.
यूनिवर्सली गलत हैं तो हमें उन चीजों को यूनिवर्सली गलत एक्सेप्ट
Bro,
कर लेना चाहिए.
who are we to decide, dude?
भाई the world has collectively decided okay that these things are out of bounds.
Again,
right?
you're
and ठीक है,
right.
you just agree to those things because we haven't lived the lives that they have lived ना भाई. We cannot like again जैसे अब ये चीज आप किसी मर्डर चोरी किसी कैनिबलिज्म वाले को आप बता सकते हो कि नहीं भाई इंसान खाना गलत बात है उसके लिए सही है फिर तो हम ये आर्गुमेंट दुनिया की हर
Correct.
चीज में कर सकते हैं
But-
बट देन यू नो दैट दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट like right dude and talking about cannibalism let's talk about
See.
Epstein file.
Dude, yeah, chalo, this is a never-ending
This is a
debate.
never-ending debate, yeah.
But my bottom line is that I always stand on the side of the person who's cracking the jokes.
I
Even
agree.
if it's
I
a
agree.
joke in bad taste, it should be a learning moment. Learn from that. Know that it wasn't received properly, and then move on, dude. Move on to other content.
I am
One of
also
this thing.
I am also very much in the side of कि भाई जोक्स क्रैक करो जोक फ्री स्पीच होनी चाहिए ये है वो बट देन अगेन हर चीज में भाई देयर आर बाउंड्रीज एंड देयर शुड बी बाउंड्रीज
Okay,
मतलब ये
fair.
चलो मेरा थॉट है बट एनीवे
Yeah.
टॉकिंग अबाउट हॉरर्स
Bro, what a
the
thing.
most
Are we going
horrifying
to are we going to talk about it, guys?
I mean, yes. How can we avoid it? So
मेरा
we
पूरा
all,
Instagram
dude, my entire YouTube wall, dude.
Yeah.
Entire YouTube's recommended
Yeah,
recommendation
I have
pages.
looked too much into Epstein's inbox at this
Bro,
point.
so firstly, by the way,
भाई दैट मैन
No,
जिस
dude.
बंदे ने ईमेल बना दिया भाई उसका
हाँ,
bro,
gmail.world.
so dude, crazy. Okay, there's this. If you are not aware, okay, a big drop was made of the Epstein files.
Yeah.
Okay, which included a long database of all the emails that he had been sent over the last several years. Okay, for maybe 10 years or something over the span of 10 years. Something like that.
Yeah, they have been
Okay.
released in batches.
Yeah,
so.
that and also there are dry folders. which have other files like documents, like official documents.
There's photos,
Correct.
there's Google
There's
Photos,
videos.
there's flight bookings, there's
Exactly.
Amazon orders,
Exactly.
इतना तो मैंने भी नहीं
There's
देखा
Crazy,
भाई.
crazy. Okay?
everything.
Now,
Literally, there's this virtual tour of the mansion.
oh bro, I'll
Which is
tell you more. I'll
crazy.
tell you more crazy things. So like, there's virtual tour of the mansion. This I haven't seen. I definitely want to see this. Okay, but okay, there is so some dude has taken upon himself to do this. Where if you go to the website, we'll put up the website link here.
हाँ, ये देखा
jmail.world.
मैंने.
Okay, somebody has taken all these emails that
Yeah.
Jeffrey Epstein got. Okay, and put them into like what looks like
But like
Gmail page.
Gmail, yeah.
and as if you are browsing through, you are Jeffrey Epstein and browsing through your own emails. So now you
Yeah.
can like search Jeffrey Epstein's emails, search for like Donald Trump, and like whatever 32,000
Yeah.
times that
True,
Donald Trump
true,
has mentioned will
true,
show up.
yes,
You know, search for Anil Ambani, and Anil Ambani shows up. However many times he shows up, you know. Or if he doesn't show up, he doesn't show up. I don't know. Dude. Allegedly.
Allegedly.
I haven't done
Allegedly.
this. I would never do this.
No comments.
But yeah, so that's crazy that someone's done this. Okay, dude, there are now people, okay, who have this is crazy, who there are a couple of videos on YouTube who people who visited the thing is in the Cayman Islands, is
Yeah.
the Epstein
Okay.
Island. Okay, someone visited the Cayman Islands.
What? They actually visited the island.
So they visited the Cayman Islands. Okay, then they went on jet ski. Okay, then they
Yeah,
went into the water.
I've seen a lot
You
of
saw this?
people have tried actually on
they-
jet ski. There are
they've-
so many reels.
Exactly. So
It's
they've
so
gone into
sad that my
Eps-
algorithm has come to this.
they've gone into Epstein Island, okay, to see like, oh, just you know, sensationalism. No, oh, what are you hiding here? What are you hiding here?
Yeah.
Okay, and like this dumb kind of shit.
It's
But then
quite pointless,
security,
actually.
very pointless. Security everywhere. Like and they're like, oh, that's like a temple that they do like the ritualistic
No,
sacrifices.
so एक second, like is the actual island like 24/7 guarded now at this point?
Yeah.
Even now,
Yes.
So people are like,
a lot of
वैसे तो
security actually.
the guy is dead. His estate should be fucking security free. Who's
मैं
managing the
वही- मतलब
estate?
मैंने I think the last thing I saw about like Epstein was the documentary, and I saw
Same.
like a fucking
Yeah.
2 years back.
Whenever
Yeah.
it
ठीक है,
came, yeah.
Yeah.
बहुत पहले देखी थी.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद वेरी रिसेंटली जब ये वापस से सारा चीज उठने लगा, तो एक व्लॉग आया मेरे सामने जिसमें 2 people actually breached the security. They were at the island and then
Yeah. They went inside the house and all also.
Oh, ये वाला नहीं देखा
I
मैंने.
saw a couple who went inside the
Oh,
house.
I saw one where so there is outside near the docks or jetty area of the island. No, there is a temple,
Okay, the blue
the blue golden temple.
yeah
So
I've
you've
seen
this,
that
so
in
I'll tell you.
pictures. Yeah.
So I'll tell you. Okay, there's a blue golden temple. If you had gone inside, so firstly outside the temple there was like a massive sundial. जो पुराने ज़माने में होते थे ना, sundial, like
I've seen that.
Egyptians and all.
Yes.
Massive sundial. Okay, and if you go inside, there are like scriptures and fucking all these things about secret societies, all these drawings about this crazy carvings and all. Clearly, this is where seems like, and these guys were involved in like the secret society kind of activities, that ritualistic stuff would happen.
Stuff
here.
was happening.
Okay.
Hmm.
Though this guy, I just saw a video yesterday about a guy who visited the island. This guy I'm telling you about who went to this temple. Dude, they've painted over this temple since Jeffrey Epstein's death. This no longer shows the ritualistic carvings because whoever is trying to, you know, all these people he's involved with,
Yeah, of course.
they don't want the world to know that they're involved in these fucking crazy practices and all. So they've painted over it and they've removed the sundial, is no longer there. Why would you do that?
Oh.
Isn't all part of this supposed to be like evidence or whatever? Like if the island is under, if this is the island is where all the fucking atrocities happened.
By in no case would you or anybody in the world be expecting this to be a fair trial, no? Like
Of
with
course.
the
With the names that have come out.
that have come up.
No
Definitely
chance.
not. Even the drops are all redacted. It's basically what they want, what people
What they
want
want you to know,
you
yeah,
to know.
Yeah,
Dude.
so मैं एक बारी वो पढ़ रहा था
Yeah,
where they are, जहाँ पे ये लिखा हुआ है कि this drop is basically for you to stay distracted from the actual stuff that apparently US is
Doing.
at,
Dude,
which is
you-
fucking taking over
Yeah.
countries at this point.
Dude, you can't put it past them, firstly. Okay? A very funny aspect of this was, no? Okay, a few months back, before they started dropping the
Files.
Epstein files, they were after Trump, the American public, and the press, why are you not releasing the files? Okay, and Trump was like, why, are you guys still talking about it? You guys are
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Yeah.
Why are you still talking about it? Who's interested in this?
Yeah.
All their entire country was interested in this. Okay, then so they were like, oh no, we're not gonna put this shit for fuck you. Okay, then some crazy shit happened. Okay,
Venezuela.
yes, Venezuela.
Venezuela, okay.
Venezuela happened where Maduro was whatever, taken out of the country, and the American public went crazy. Okay, we don't want to be a part of another fucking war, dude.
Yeah.
We hate this shit, right?
They were like, okay,
Yeah.
files.
So exactly. So to start from that,
Files.
like a small batch of files they put forward. Okay. चल रहा है. So people now Maduro अभी back of mind हो गया.
Nobody's talking about Venezuela, oil
Right now,
war,
right now.
nothing.
Then
Nothing.
Then fucking the whole ICE thing starts. The ICE police, where they are like
What is
They're
ICE
asking
police?
for
They're detaining-
documents,
they're-
detaining people who
and
are
deporting.
are not white people, basically.
yeah,
They
not
are
white people,
asking
but
them-
people who are still citizens, but they're getting out. Like one of the talking points that Trump got elected on manifesto was, "Okay, I will get fucking illegal immigrants out." Okay. So in that to that end, they have formed this police force, or I don't know if they already existed, called ICE.
The lady
whatever.
got shot. You know this. The
So,
lady got
in
shot.
Minneapolis, a couple of times now.
In my heart. Sorry.
Ice baby. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी.
Yeah. Thandi thandi hawa ke na na na. What is that song?
No, it's
Na,
not.
na, na, na.
ABCD.
ABCD is yes.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one song. Yeah. Anyway, so they formed this ICE police whose job is supposed to be you find illegal immigrants and get them deported. Okay. But what has happened is this has just become like a racist police force. Okay. Because they seemingly target anyone who seems non-white. Okay. Ask them for documents. And very often the person is an American citizen, but which American citizen or any citizen carries their fucking documents on them all the time?
तो कुछ टाइम पीरियड होगा ना कि इतने टाइम में
नहीं
आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स
नहीं,
दिखा
नहीं,
दें।
यार,
if you
arrest
don't
कर देते हैं.
comply immediately, we'll fucking force you, like punch you, fucking kick you in the ass.
They
If you don't
started-
comply even further, we'll fucking shoot you.
Yeah.
So a couple of instances have come forth where a couple to
There's not that one lady who got shot.
no,
That was
two.
the major.
Minneapolis में two. The lady के 3 दिन बाद एक और हुआ.
Oh, that
Okay,
I'm not
so
aware.
twice it's happened in Minneapolis only, if I'm not wrong. I think I'm going to city, right? And across the US this has been happening in various cities, okay, where ICE police, and these police are not like regular police, so they don't have to show their faces. So they're basically like an armed militia that come and bully these citizens and it's fucking
Basically
crazy.
gundagardi.
Gundagardi. Okay, so they like normally when in America, right, when if you as a cop stop someone,
You have to show
okay,
your.
you have to show your, if they ask
Yeah,
you, show
of
me your
course.
badge, show
Yes,
me, what is your
yes,
name,
yes.
officer,
Uh-huh.
whatever, right? They have to say.
I've seen
ICE
enough
police-
documentaries to
Exactly.
know this, yes.
True crime and all, right? ICE police have to do none of that.
Oh.
Yeah. So they just come, fucking shoot you and fuck off. Dude. And who are you gonna get? Okay? तो ये बहुत
crazy.
crazy
That is
craziness चल रहा है
crazy,
craziness चल
dude.
रहा है
Fuck.
so ये this became such a big thing okay
And then this releases.
yeah so the idea was कि to distract from the Epstein files the government has started to force ICE to do this kind of shit कि ये people talk about this ICE shit so then ICE shit got blown out of hand so then they released this final batch of Epstein files तो अब ये इनका catch 22 चल रहा है
चल रहा है
इनका ये cycle
क्या
चल रहा है
ही
इनका
है,
ये कैसे
dude, it is
distract
crazy.
करने का
भाई मतलब at this point just eat the rich man.
हाँ भाई,
Bro,
रखो
at this
रखो.
point though
swear,
at
dude.
this point though, dude you don't trust any rich
Bro,
person
the
ever
thing
dude
is, bro, at this point, like, पता है, so I've Reddit. So once you
Yeah.
go down the Reddit rabbit hole, then there
endless,
is no
endless,
coming back.
endless.
ठीक है भाई. I think ऐसा लगता है कि rich लोग के पास ना एक different earth unlocked है.
yeah
ठीक है, and उसके अंदर rules don't exist.
100%
Things भाई मतलब
dude at this point I'll
Squid Games was actually real.
Yeah,
कि उसकी theories पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं बैठ के.
Bro.
Oh really? What?
भाई Squid Games हाँ उसकी theories पढ़ रहा हूँ. Then there is this भाई I went through this thread where they were like कि Stranger Things was real also. They were actually trying to fucking rewire brains to give them like more power, supernatural power.
Again,
and
dude,
all that.
I don't put this above them
Bro, and then I read something along the lines, bhai, the Dubai Ponda parties or whatever the fuck they are called, where
bro I'll tell you this crazy thing that I read in the Epstein files
okay,
okay
guys, again, this is the horrors of the world episode.
Yeah,
huh?
this is-
it's not. So imagine it's not ghosts anymore. It's
yeah
It's
these are
it's
real
people.
horrors
Yeah, dude.
okay so one of the crazy things I read now is so Epstein got an email from this seemingly rich person, but whose name has been redacted. You know, like certain names have been redacted.
Yeah,
The FBI or whatever, the DOJ, Department of Justice, has said, "Oh, we've done that to redact these names to protect the victims," but it's clearly not that.
Protect the victims.
The victims of
कैसे
the
बच पा
girls,
रहे हैं?
the
Eye roll,
girls,
eye
the girls.
roll.
Really, eye roll.
हाँ,
my
eye
eyes are
roll
stuck.
वाली-
Rubbish,
जो
rubbish.
छोटा दिमाग है मेरे को वो दिख रहा है.
Correct, rubbish. So anyway, okay. So someone has messaged Epstein, okay, emailed him, saying, "Ke man." So I'm gonna paraphrase, of course, but this is there. Just go out there and you'll find this. Okay. So this guy has mailed Epstein saying, "Ke, hey Jeff or whatever, I just came out of, or I just got back from a party." Which seemed like something that you would arrange, or like seemed like one of your parties, or reminded me of one of how you throw your parties.
Did
okay?
he?
No. So this was. So he said, "Ke it seemed like one of your parties. This is a very secretive society, a very secretive event, attended by like he named all like some huge people. Okay, attended by like these kind of people, and they made us. So we had to meet at this hotel which is opposite the White House, and then from there we were ferried to this other place. Okay, and it was crazy because once we reached this building, from the outside it looked like any other residential building. Okay, but when you walk inside, it is actually this very elaborate secretive museum. Okay, which has artifacts from centuries old. Okay, like mammoth bones, dinosaur bones, and like secret texts from fucking Genghis Khan and these practitioners of ancient medical magic. Okay, there's all these like crazy books that the general public has never seen that should be in museums. Okay, but these rich fuckers are just holding on to this shit. Okay,
God.
for themselves because various things, dude. These guys think that it gives them
I mean,
power.
there have-
These are relics, right? Relics.
But much worse things they are doing than this.
Yeah, correct.
Bro, but again, as he said, they are not bad for them, no. जैसे कैरी के लिए वो जोक खराब नहीं था.
But dude, so this is like, so what I'm saying is, and then Jeff Epstein replies to this guy like they anyway seems like they've been talking every other day. Okay, so this Epstein replies to him like, "Oh, I'm up for any of these things also if you want me to be involved in any of in the event next time you attend." Okay, so like in a sense, these kind of events and like these kind of parties in secret societies were so normal
Bro,
for
I'm
Epstein.
sure ना यार, आप देखो ना आपके पास पैसा.
Food. You know what his
Well,
net worth was when he died?
Huh?
What?
You know what his net worth was when he died?
I don't know.
600 million. That's just on paper.
But the theory is there is a theory that he's not dead also.
There is a theory.
Oh,
that-
bro, I think
massive theory.
someone has actually
The
उसको
nose thingy?
debunk किया और उसको नीचे लिखा, bro, this is Gemini.
Oh.
Oh, nice. I'm also Gemini.
Again with
yeah.
AI, everything can be fake. Everything.
But yeah, like it's been a scary one.
Another
week,
thing.
actually.
Okay, so like multiple things have been.
Okay,
the
मैंने इतना नहीं देखा.
the DOJ has put up multiple things, right? One of the things they put out, okay, earlier in the year, earlier in 2025 was they were like, so when Epstein died, okay, you know the whole death thing, na? Okay, they say he committed suicide in jail. You know this
Yeah.
thing, yeah?
But the conspiracy theorist
Completely go
say
against
कि
that.
भाई उसको मार दिया गया था because वो
He had too
बहुत
much dirt
बड़े-बड़े
on too
नामों
many
के
people.
नाम
Yeah,
ले सकता
yeah,
था.
correct. And जो उसके मेल पे दिख ही रहा है.
हाँ, clearly भाई.
तो even more, reasons as to why he was probably didn't commit suicide.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, the night he committed suicide in jail. Okay. The CCTV cameras of his floor conveniently stopped working.
Stopped working, of course.
Okay. And the two patrol guards that he had,
दोनों को washroom
दोनों
जाना
को
होगा.
washroom जाना था. हाँ, सुसु, of course, है ना? या सुसु या फिर जो
बहुत
dinner.
मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
कैसा लगा? Wow.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Okay, and
Yeah.
his cell partner, okay, was this ex-cop killer cop. Okay, this ex-cop who had been arrested for killing multiple
killing another
people
cop.
and then killing another cop also because this is fucking full dirty
Yeah.
cop. Okay, and this fucking he's this
Jacked.
huge fucking jack
Yeah.
bald dude, looks like twice the size of fucking that Andrew Tate dude.
अब्बास यहाँ पे नहीं है बट उसके बिहाफ पे मैं ऑफेंस ले रही हूँ ये बॉल्ड
Defamation कर दो इस पे.
Yeah. Sorry, Abbas. Sorry. Okay. And so, clearly what one of the assumptions is that someone
usko mara.
told this guy to fucking kill, because he is the kind of guy who
Like
would
Dahmer
be,
situation.
yeah, and he is the kind
Yeah.
of guy who would be in for this. No, they'll be like, oh, you're an ex-cop, we'll get you out early, we'll give you a better sentence, we'll make your life a little more easier inside, whatever.
Of course.
Okay, and you gotta fucking do this shit. Okay, so killed him. That's one of the assumption is that he didn't kill himself. So now they were like, okay, we don't have actual footage to put out, but people want the footage to be out there, but there is no footage because that floor we don't have. So they were like, oh, we'll put out footage. Okay, they put out footage of one floor down. It is so stupid, dude. What do they think that the people are dumb or what? Okay, they put out footage of one floor down, but of that time. So basically,
What purpose is it serving?
I'll tell you.
बस
So-
surroundings देखो जब
Yeah,
murder
खुश हो
हो रहा था,
जाओ.
तब surroundings
Yeah,
अच्छे
yeah,
थे.
yeah.
हाँ,
देखो,
weather,
see,
मौसम
सुनो,
अच्छा
Yeah,
था.
see-
क्या तुम उसकी चीखें
Yeah, correct. See how quietly the killer is killing you. Nice.
वो जो चीख थी
Yeah.
वो एप्स्टीन की थी.
Yeah. So they put out one floor down ka footage, and it was of the same time frame. They apparently the time frame is he died around 6 a.m. So they put out like an hour, like 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. something like that. You know, 2 hours something they put out. Okay, and in that time, you can see that there is what seems like at the corner of the frame. No, it seems like so that orange typical American jumpsuit that inmates wear. You know what I'm talking about? Like it's in movies, right?
Yeah.
You can see someone wearing that exact color climbing up the stairs, but nowhere in the Department of Justice report does it mention that. Okay, there seemed to be a shape going up or something. They didn't address it only. Okay, and in fact they wrote nobody went to his floor during those hours. They didn't say his cell. They said his floor only nobody went.
तो फ्लोर पे तो और क्लियरली कोई जा ही रहा है.
It's insane, no? What a thing.
Bro, मतलब I think
The
at
internet
this-
sleuths are doing
Bro,
a fantastic
at-
job,
at
by the way.
this
Adil.
point-
I mean,
I-
not fantastic. They are doing the job. The people who are supposed to do the job are
not doing their
They are
job.
not doing
Well put.
Consciously,
Yeah,
they've
that's
been
very well put.
paid or whatever.
Very well
करो
put.
भाई अमीर लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं at this point
Bro.
में I think हमारी imagination के भी बाहर है.
Yeah.
हाँ,
Dude,
वही.
like at this point, I am just assuming every billionaire is already like this. I'm not.
Also,
I'll be
अमीर-
surprised if someone is not there.
अमीर लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं पता नहीं. जैसे रणवीर सिंह बोलता है मेरे को रोज डीजे चाहिए.
Kyudu, I love you, man. What a segue, bro. What a way to move on. It's getting like, dude, we've been stuck on this Epstein thing, on this Epstein island for so long.
I'm getting depressed, guys.
Great,
Bro, the
dude.
fact that she
Great.
tried to draw parallels from the
I love it.
Epstein situation to उसको 6 vanity ज़्यादा चाहिए था.
So well done, dude.
She thinks कि
So
वो
well done.
bridge एकदम same
Dude, and
level
had
पे
we not addressed it, it is the smoothest segue ever, bro. Wow.
Award.
I'm impressed, bro. So impressed. Great. Maybe you should do intro next time.
अचानक से अंतरिक्षा वैलेंटाइन डे सेलिब्रेट करने का मन कर गया.
Yeah,
हाँ,
dude.
लगता है मुझे
Yeah.
गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है. बर्फ पड़ने वाली है.
So yeah, let's get to it. The next big story,
The next horror
the next
from the industry
horror in the industry is
is
Ranveer
horrifying.
Singh is seemingly
Has-
at war.
with the
Excel
fucking
Entertainment.
dude.
Yeah,
Like the film that gave him Dil Dhadakne Do.
correct.
How dare he?
Dude, yeah, this happened though. And Gully Boy in a way. Actually, no, that's Tiger Belly.
That's Tiger
That's
Belly.
But
Tiger.
Excel and Tiger, no, both all those movies are Excel and Tiger.
Oh, they are not only Tiger.
They're not only Tiger.
Check कर लें एक बारी.
But all these movies are also Ranveer and his talent.
Check कर ले एक
guys,
बारी.
Dude,
तो.
नहीं जो tech अगर हम गलत हैं तो people will let us know firstly. But also
How unserious.
नहीं but also see all of these में
I think it is excellent.
it is usually Excel and Tiger. both,
Okay.
Okay. But this one, if even if Excel is not involved, okay, Farhan is
Farhan
always
तो is involved. of
Farhan
course,
is involved at least as script writer or
Yeah.
dialogue writer or lyricist or whatever. He's involved
As
in
a
Dil Dhadakne
brother.
Do. As supportive brother. Yeah.
Yeah. yeah.
So, firstly, I want to say, so what has happened, okay, is that Ranveer Singh, it came out a couple of weeks back that he had walked out of Dawn 3.
3.
Okay.
Bro, Dawn 3 is another Hera Fairy 3.
Up
Why?
to- at
What
this
is
point,
what is with the third installments of these
So-
films, dude?
पहले ही शाहरुख को लेके बनानी चाहिए थी. I don't
हाँ.
know what the
शाहरुख का भी तो स्टेटमेंट शाहरुख का भी तो एक रूमर्ड वो आया था that शाहरुख is ready to be on board with the Dawn 3 provided Atlee has
Oh no, Shahrukh.
provided Atlee is made like a consulting like force on Dawn 3
That's disappointing.
जरूरत नहीं
to
है
like
ये
scale
क्या
it up.
No,
ये क्या है?
it doesn't need to be scaled up.
Don't, man. Let Farhan do what Farhan does
Shahrukh,
if you're
yeah.
making it.
Yeah.
Okay, first
Shahrukh,
don't.
this is worse than asking for a DJ.
Bro, वैसे मतलब what is this demand? कि
So
DJ
वो इतना
हाँ, पहले मुद्दा बता दो.
So
हाँ,
basically,
मुद्दा बता दो.
Ranveer walked out of Dawn 3, okay? And for a couple of weeks, it was like, oh, he walked out because
धुरंधर के जो सक्सेस है उसके सर पे चढ़ गई है.
no. Actually, the reason that this was the reason that people were making fun of. Oh, sar chढ़ गई है.
अच्छा.
Yeah, what I actually heard is कि because Dhurandhar is already like a spy film, he doesn't want to do just the next thing to be because Dhurandhar 1, Dhurandhar 2, and the next thing that he started working on is Dawn 3. So
अच्छा.
in that way, it doesn't make sense, which kind of is agreeable, dude. It makes sense. कि उसको भी क्या पता था कि धुरंधर ऐसी बड़ी fucking
यार,
super हो
but
जाएगी.
एक second, this doesn't make sense to me because Dhurandhar is a totally different kind of a
Genre
film, and
of spy
Dawn
film.
3 is fucking the James Bondification of a Dawn, right?
और ये क्या है, ऋतिक तो सालों से सेम पिक्चर बार बार कर रहा है, तो इसका क्या मतलब? ऋतिक बोल रही हूँ, सलमान, सॉरी.
अच्छा.
हद हुई.
सलमान
ऋतिक कितने साल से सेम तरीके का डांस कर रहा है क्या प्रॉब्लम?
Bro, एक तो like side note, I have been loving Hrithik's persona on his Instagram these days.
I have not.
ओ भाई वो एकदम ऐसा हो गया है.
कि क्या?
मतलब ड्यू के बच्चे नहीं होते जिनको नया नया पता चला भाई मार्क्स एग्जिस्ट करता है. He is fully gone that कि सोशलिज्म, फैमिली, कार्ल मार्क्स.
but he's always-
देखो मैं ये खाना खा रहा हूँ, इस खाने का मतलब ये है, इस खाने में इतने नहीं. अरे मैंने कहा भाई
But ऋतिक तो always
तुम्हें
ऋतिक
पता है तुम सुपरस्टार हो.
बट ऋतिक तो हमेशा से सोशल मीडिया का वो है चहीता. वो पोप वाला कमेंट भी उसने खुद से ही ट्विटर पे डाला था, जिसके बाद सारा बवाल शुरू हुआ.
क्या था वाला मैं भूल गया.
वो कंगना और ऋतिक का वहीं से तो शुरू हुआ कि कंगना बेसिकली allegedly said that कि I was dating a famous superstar, but उसने तो पीठ मोड़ ली, जो भी
तुम्हारे और तुम्हारे पापा के
वो
पास तो बहुत पैसा है.
हाँ वो much later था.
अच्छा,
पहले
अच्छा.
she didn't name the star and nobody even thought it can be Hrithik because
Yeah.
it could be anyone. Who knows about that? But Hrithik then went ahead and tweeted कि there are more chances of me having had an affair with the Pope than the said person who's claiming. And that is when the whole thing started कि
So
he
ये,
himself
uh,
चोर की
ये
दाढ़ी
शुरू
में
से ही
तिल
सोशल
था.
मीडिया
Oh,
पर एकदम भाई याद है.
this is the Barbara Streisand effect. You know this?
No.
Barbara was
I've
the
heard
name of
about
the
it.
actress जो kites में थी.
हाँ, जिसके साथ भी
Barbara
ऋतिक
Mori,
date कर रहा है.
correct. But the Barbara Streisand.
ये हम सारी बड़े-बड़े बातें क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Barbara.
But famously the Streisand effect or the Barbara Streisand effect is कि famously there was a documentary being made about LA का Beverly Hills area. Okay, and to do that obviously they fly drones, right, to capture the area and all. Okay, they captured the area and it came out, the documentary, and Barbara Streisand filed a suit against the documentary saying कि you have captured my house, that's my house, how dare you capture my house in the documentary. This went viral. Nobody had an idea that
Knew
was
कि
Barbara
वो
Streisand's
उसका
thing.
घर है.
Now
Oh.
everyone knows that Barbara
was
Streisand's house.
there. Oh,
That's called the Streisand effect. You don't want something, but because you make it, you talk about it, it becomes known by so
But
much.
recently ऋतिक का तुम Instagram कहीं से नहीं लगता वो बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार का Instagram है. He's just in
देखना पड़ेगा
कि ओहो किताब, ओहो मेरे घर में जो मटर है उस मटर में इतना ये है, ओहो पहाड़, देखो मेरे घुटने में दर्द है. और फिर उसके बाद उसने पूरी वो लिखी है कि शरीर क्या है. शरीर एक संगम है ऐसे चीजों का जो साथ में एक फंक्शन कर रही हैं और आपको नहीं पता कि कौन सा हिस्सा जो है वो कब काम कर
Bro, I want what he's smoking, dude. What the fuck, dude? Guys, it sounds like a good time, man. Sounds like a good time.
chilling.
Yeah.
But guys, bro, he's by killing it. I think he's my favorite Instagram account because you see like Ranveer
Curated.
Singh and all these
Yeah.
people like fucking posting their photo shoots.
Yeah,
and
bored.
and Hrithik का तुम एक पोस्ट देखोगे वेयर जहाँ पे वो अपने चेस्ट एब्स फ्लेक्स करके क्यूट से अपना फोटो शूट दे रहा है और अगले में लिखा है देखो मेरे मटर मेरी प्लेट में स्प्राउट्स है रोटी है ये I don't like why Hrithik
Cute. Boomer energy है थोड़ी.
काफी उम्र है
Yeah,
काफी
fair,
उम्र
fair.
Okay.
Anyway, Ranveer.
हाँ.
So anyway, like the Ranveer left, whatever. Okay. Then it comes out like just a couple of days back. Okay, that Excel Entertainment has filed a case against Ranveer.
asking 40 CR
asking
in
for
damages
40 CR in damages because he left and walked out of Dawn 3.
और
saying कि he had all
Pre-production losses.
pre-production losses.
Which I don't
because,
understand.
Yeah, because apparently he had like asked for 7 vanity vans.
या
what-
28 लोगों का क्रू, जिसमें
28
से
crew.
7 में से 2 वैनिटी वैन्स उसके क्रू के लिए होंगी,
Correct.
एक वैनिटी उसके शेफ के लिए होगी,
Yes.
उसको इंटरनेशनल डीजे चाहिए सेट पे,
Daily DJ.
Hype
Daily
music,
Bro,
hype
daily DJ,
music, bro.
daily DJ is crazy.
But कौन बजाएगा ना दे दिल परदेसी
खुद अपने फोन से बजा भाई. भाई क्या बात कर रहा है?
बट फोन से हम बजाएंगे, उसको
Bro,
जरूरत नहीं
also-
फोन से
bro, वो
बजाने
रणवीर सिंह है,
Bro,
वो क्यों
no.
बजाएगा? आप और मैं अगर स्पॉटिफाई चला सकते हैं तो आप में और रणवीर सिंह में क्या फर्क है भाई?
हाँ.
But bro, like
आप
see,
डीजे स्नेक स्पॉटिफाई में सुनो, उसको डीजे
That's true.
स्नेक सेट पे चाहिए ब्रो.
I mean actually not that far fetched. That's fair.
if you have fuck you money,
I mean see that thing,
like
that's the thing. अगर
instead of
if
doing Epstein shit, just get a DJ
bro,
to your
but
set. no,
exactly.
bro.
But if you have fuck you money, then pay for
own
your own
DJ.
DJ.
हाँ, so the main problem is that he was asking all of this on Excel's money.
Yeah, that's just fuck, dude.
Is what is being reported.
If that's true, that's not cool. I don't think.
But if that's true, it would happen once the shoot started. The shoot has not started, so what are they asking the money for?
Bro, so pre-production में जाता है ना, आपका scouting हो गया,
तो
scripting हो गया,
स्काउटिंग
आपका
स्क्रिप्टिंग तो रहेगी, कोई भी हीरो रहे,
See,
स्काउटिंग will be applicable.
It's also possible.
Scripting will be applicable.
Maybe it is that they had contractually signed some people and given some advances to
But
block their
that
dates.
would-
that
okay.
that actually happened.
Oh.
And
So the-
because
so
they
that's-
also they
dates.
they
Yeah.
shot a fucking
But 40 crores still seems like too much.
I think
Before
I-
it has gone
so
this thing.
40
But the thing is, you're right. They would have set aside their entire shoot schedule,
Bro, of course.
blocked their talents, blocked their
And
studio
उसने
space.
damages मांगे.
All
Damages
that.
का ये मतलब नहीं होता कि मेरा 10 रुपए खर्च हुआ तो मुझे 10 रुपए वापस कर.
Oh, this is
Like it's
loss
also,
of payment,
It's also
loss
their
of earnings.
time. It's also their efforts. It's damages in general. Like इस project को और इस company को इतना loss हुआ है
Correct.
तुम्हारे इस बकैती की वजह से.
also the losses on 121 बहादुर and
121.
RGs.
उसको वो भी तो
वो भी तो
cover
recover
करना है ना
करना
उसको. तो वो बेसिकली उसमें बैठा कहते हैं 120 बहादुर में कितने
Yeah.
हुए थे. वो वाला सीन देखा आपने कि अरे 35 लाख का तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, 36 लाख का लॉस कैसे हो गया?
चलो मोटा मोटा 40 मांग लेते हैं.
That's basically Excel with
Yeah.
Ranveer. It's like,
Yeah, basically.
36 तक तो हम पहुंच गए हैं, 40 मांग लेते हैं, वो राउंड ऑफ कर.
राउंड ऑफ.
Bro, so this is what is publicly happening. Firstly, I want to say,
Tell Ranveer side also, no?
oh,
Yeah,
हाँ,
which
I'm
is
so
all
sorry.
over the internet
I'm so
today
sorry.
thanks to his PR.
Yeah.
हमें पुराना न्यूज़ मिल ही नहीं
I
रहा
don't
था.
even know कि उसका PR है कि नहीं, but we literally spent 20 minutes searching Google कि भाई फरहान ने क्या डाला था, वो तो रणवीर सेज ये,
Off the
रणवीर सेज
internet.
ये, भाई पहले
Also,
15 results.
they're making it Farhan and Ranveer. It's actually Excel and Ranveer
Excel versus
as a
Ranveer,
company.
yeah, which is eventually and essentially
Farhan and Ritesh,
Ranveer.
and
and
Ritesh.
Ritesh and Ranveer,
Yeah,
of
Ranveer.
course, yeah.
So anyway, then it comes forward that Ranveer's whatever PR is getting into gear, it seems like, because we find out why he left. Part of the reason is that the script, he says, wasn't locked properly.
Yeah.
And during the pre-production, they had already like, in a way, done
Tried
some
to-
disrespectful things
yeah.
by implying that, oh, तेरे को अच्छी नहीं लग रही है स्क्रिप्ट तो हम ऋतिक के पास चले जाते हैं.
ऋतिक के पास चले जाते
अरे
हैं,
यार, ऋतिक
शाहरुख के पास
चले
चले
जाते
जाते
हैं.
हैं,
हाँ तो लाइक सेइंग कि तो हमारे पास और भी ऑप्शन है तो चलिए
Options
कर
हैं,
रहे
हाँ.
तो so that's why Ranveer says he left.
हाँ,
Okay?
कि उसको
And he's
बहुत
also said,
disrespectful feel हुआ.
and he's also said कि dude, this has happened so many times in the past where I have walked away from a movie and I've never had to pay damages and all, dude. Okay, that's another thing. And now तो star has risen only. कम तो
भाई
नहीं हुआ
धुरंधर bro.
है ना, तो वही तो.
Also,
तो-
he said कि बैजू बावरा के लिए he was prepping since a year, and
हाँ,
then
and
the
he
movie
left-
got shelved
Yeah.
in the next year. But he was working on his accent and whatnot. So he said कि but if the movie got shelved, I'm not asking them for damages, but I wasted 1 year of my life, you know, to
Which is also fair. Which is also fair.
to work on it.
Which is also fair. So, but then Excel came forward and said, "Ki, look, dude, this Ranveer Singh, the script wasn't locked, but the script was approved by him at multiple stages. Okay, and whatever, everything, there's a back and forth going on, which makes me very sad. Firstly, because I like both of them.
yeah,
I like
two
Farhan. I like everything
powerhouses,
Excel does.
bro,
Dude, I like
powerhouses.
everything Ranveer does. I don't want them to fight. I don't want to
And
get
you
along,
can
dude.
see, By Excel has given us such amazing films.
Yeah.
Crazy films they've given
So
us.
I have a beef with Farhan Akhtar.
Oh wow,
Okay.
dude, it's not allowed in India, but okay.
Jile
Yeah.
Zara 2 is my beef.
Jeele Zara.
Jile
two
Zara,
नहीं.
Jile Zara.
No, no. Oh, okay,
Jile
you
zara.
wanted to happen or you don't want
I want it to happen,
Yeah.
and he's been teasing and stopping and
Bro,
teasing and
So
stopping.
अब तो वही-
Then
अब तो वही बोल रहे हैं।
Post Colossus.
now he said no that he's gonna like now fuck Dawn 3. Now he's gonna focus on Jile
I
Zara.
will not trust till I see a trailer.
Yeah.
भाई वो तो उसने टीजर रिलीज करके भी तुमने
Bro,
कितना ही ट्रस्ट करा लिया
But trailer is trailer, bro. And
हाँ,
teaser
that
is
is
like
also
कुछ भी
fair.
कर ले. Teaser तो
But
एक आधा
then-
सीन दिखा
मतलब
दे.
it was an announcement actually,
हाँ,
teaser भी
correct.
नहीं
वो
था
photo ही release की थी बस
भाई
साथ में, हाँ.
ऊपर से साथ में अब तो पैरेलली फरहान भैया की बहन ने भी तो जिंदगी ना
ZNMD
मिलेगी
2.
दोबारा 2 लॉक कर लिया भाई
वो भी नहीं बिलीव करूंगी मैं जब तक मैं ट्रेलर नहीं देखूंगी.
That'd be cool, man.
Bro,
I hope
ZNMD is my absolute favorite film.
It won't be as good.
And
That's
पहले
the
ही मैं
thing.
बता
I
दूं.
hope it's good. I hope it's good.
पहले ही बता दे रहा हूँ मैं नहीं होगी as good.
Like, so what the sources and what the insiders have been saying, they're like कि Zoya has worked on it in a way कि वो spiritual sequel नहीं बना रही है. वो actual like she's aging the characters to what they've aged.
is
She's
it?
actually building the story ahead.
I appreciate.
अगर ये सच में ऐसा है,
I
then I'm
appreciate.
probably interested in the film.
Appreciate.
Please एक और road trip spiritual मत बनाना because then
No,
we'll-
I don't mind that. That's
नहीं,
part
नहीं.
of जिंदगी, bro.
हाँ,
That's
नहीं,
the
road trip
heart.
is fine. कि एक spiritual road trip की मतलब same जैसे वो है ना कि
But the characters have to find themselves.
कैरेक्टर्स सेम रख लिए और एक नई रोड ट्रिप में डाल दिए बस
वही तो करेगी.
नहीं मतलब लाइक एज देम शो
Oh,
देयर
like,
फैमिली
oh,
डायनामिक्स
yeah.
शो हाउ दे इवॉल्वड इमोशनली ये
yeah,
सब
yeah. I think it'll be now. Imran's character is finally getting married. Farhan Akhtar's character.
Man,
Imran, no?
I don't have high hopes for this movie. I'm telling you.
Like, see, I would.
See, I trust Zoya.
Yeah.
She's
but
not
have you seen Archie? Don't trust
Oh,
Zoya.
Take a
yeah,
Even
but
a
then
step.
she's also made some banger films na yaar.
But after Archie also she made something, no? Which is quite nice.
Bro, Super Boys of Malegaon.
No, that's Reema Kagdi.
That was not Zoya. That was just Tiger film.
Bro, that was Tiger Baby.
Tiger, but she didn't direct.
But she didn't direct.
Yeah.
She was involved in
Tiger
the project.
Baby.
bro.
It is Tiger,
Tiger
Baby.
Baby. Tiger Belly is Bobby Lee's. I keep.
Acha, हाँ,
comedian
तो
Bobby
Tiger
Lee's
Baby.
podcast. Yeah.
But Zoya has been, bhai, Zoya is the person behind Gully Boy. Zoya is the person behind Luck by Chance. Zoya is the person behind, like, chalo theek hai, if not the only person behind Supervisor Malegaon, but she's obviously still involved.
Main force,
right?
yeah, like
yeah,
a
big force behind
big force,
that.
yeah.
So I think Zoya Akhtar ko Zoya Akhtar is obviously the force behind Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So I can obviously trust Zoya Akhtar with like good work.
Yeah.
If not like
Fair. I also
The
look forward
best.
to everything she does. Very much looking forward. But again, hug na de. See, the thing is, I always get scared about sequels because if the sequel is not good, it is very possible it damages the first movie also.
first movie ka
Yeah.
memories.
Which, yeah. So I don't know. I hate when that happens.
Especially
I
with a
don't want
movie
that.
like ZNMD, which is such a fan favorite.
Yeah, dude.
And so loved,
Yeah,
dude.
so
So
loved,
loved.
so loved,
I don't know a single person who dislikes ZNMD. Maybe so there are people who like
I'm not a
ZNMD
fan,
who
nah.
very like it very much, who जिनका फेवरेट है, ठीक है. बट कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि यार क्या रद्दी पिक्चर बना है.
क्योंकि नहीं है बिल्कुल इन एनी वे नहीं है.
Yeah, fair.
So I hope that she actually brings the cast back, brings the same cast back, builds the story, gets Katrina, gets Kalki. Like या तो अगर logically track खत्म कर रही है तो वो अलग
कल्कि
बात
नहीं
है.
होगी फिर.
कल्कि-
You know,
I
oh
don't
no,
know.
but an interesting take would be
इमरान wants to marry Kalki now,
No,
bro.
no,
पहले उसने ऋतिक की गर्लफ्रेंड ली, फिर अब वो अभय देओल की गर्लफ्रेंड
अभय देओल बोलेगा कि going out with my girlfriend was not funny.
ऋतिक बोल सकता है, फिर उसने तुझे बीपीएल दिया
Yeah.
और फिर तुझे भी डम कर दिया. आज हम मेरी वजह से मोरक्को में है. Don't let
Don't
us
spoil this, guys.
because
But-
he has moved to Morocco with
हाँ,
Laila.
what I was thinking is कि now it'll be that Kalki as a character has aged and matured as a person. So now Abhay Deol falls in love with her again and actually falls in love with her.
You know, there are a lot of people who actually think that Kalki was not wrong in her stance, whatever she took in
I mean,
the film.
again, it's perspective.
It's perspective. And
I also don't think कि she was wrong and he was right.
I mean, she wasn't a horrible person.
They were not
but-
a match. That's
Yeah,
it.
fair. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a mummy ring. They don't know. Maybe it's a mummy ring.
दीदी ये रिंग मैं अपनी मॉम के लिए लाया था. भाई सोचो उसको बेचारी को कैसा लगा हो भाई अगर रियल लाइफ
I
में
wouldn't
ऐसा-
accept the ring if
भाई-
I was in that situation. I
Yeah,
would be
yeah.
like, कि then it's okay.
हाँ.
Let's cut it.
but she
शादी
already made a
करनी
big
भी
thing
है कि
inside.
नहीं?
No, that's the problem.
That's still.
Okay, anyway, chalo.
Kabir just proposed to Natasha.
Yeah. Oh well.
अपनी मम्मा का सेलिब्रेशन तो खत्म होने देते.
वाह, पूरी याद है भाई. अरे
Bro,
वाह.
I remember the entire
Yeah,
fucking
nice.
film, dude.
Oh my god.
Nice, nice,
Fanboys.
Now you have to call me mommy.
Any other thing to say on the Ranveer Excel thing?
No.
Bro, just patch up, bro.
Patch
the
up, bro.
fuck up, dude.
Patch up and just do a project together, man.
Bro,
I'll be
just
happy.
do Dil Dhadakne 2 at this point. I really
Or do Don
और
3.
जीने जरा में cameo करवा दो यार.
Bro, like I can't have people who've given us bangers like fucking Dhurandhar and fucking Ram Leela and Bajirao and then वहाँ पे भाई लक्ष्य and
दिल चाहता है.
दिल चाहता है, dude. You people cannot fight.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Why fighting?
This is horrifying,
This
guys.
is actually like that. Hence, इसी topic से तो हमें ये topic ध्यान में आया था कि I
But फिर
think
हम Epstein पे थोड़े
this is the
बैग
biggest. This is
Epstein
the
Island पे.
this is the biggest. Oh, Island.
Oh, Epstein also.
This is actually like the biggest horror for an industry like Bollywood कि भाई या हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की हमारी इंडस्ट्री की दो सबसे बड़ी फोर्सेस हैव लॉक्ड हॉर्न्स. इट्स लाइक
sad,
लास्ट ये हुआ था जब सलमान शाहरुख लड़े थे.
हाँ. Also knowing Ranveer and Farhan, who both seem like chill, nice guys.
Also
it
both
seems
are
sad,
creatively and like who both of
Passionate,
them
yeah.
seem creatively gifted.
Yeah,
Both
yeah.
of them don't look like कि भाई they are just faffing around.
Yeah, agree.
Both of them ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों में अपने आर्ट और अपने क्राफ्ट को लेके पैशन है.
हाँ.
एंड ऐसे लोग वैसे ही बहुत कम है इस इंडस्ट्री में.
Yes.
Yes.
और उन 10 में से अगर 2-4 लड़ने लग, क्योंकि फरहान से लड़ाई का मतलब है जोया से लड़ाई.
Yeah.
तो इससे जावेद अख्तर साहब भी बाहर हो गए पिक्चर के.
Yes, true.
ठीक है, तो ये ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है इस इंडस्ट्री में भाई. मतलब मुझे
होगा
चाहिए
भी नहीं. I think वो
हाँ,
patch up हो जाएगा
I hope
because
so.
I hope so,
Ranveer, they are big wigs as a family in Bollywood. So for
Yeah, but-
Ranveer to get this beef with someone which
But-
is supposed to be like a coveted family in Bollywood wouldn't be beneficial to him. Though अभी वो उसको धुरंधर का हाई है, but वो खत्म हो जाएगी. वो पिक्चर रिलीज होके ओवर हो जाएगी. He has to sustain a career ahead. Also, if Dhurandhar and Dawn being in the same zone is the issue, then they are not in the same zone.
Bro, I
Ranveer.
genuinely think that
Just
I
do
agree.
it.
Yeah.
I read this news that this is the reason why he left, and I thought exactly the same. Okay, look, they're complete different versions of gangster films.
किसी को नहीं
But-
करनी है डॉन 3 तो प्लीज कियारा मत करो तुम तो हमें बख्श दो. बट
कियारा तो
रणवीर
Kiara to has left. No, it was Kriti Sanon now.
Oh, is it?
तुम भी बख्श दो.
यार bro, Kriti
मतलब क्या हर जगह कृति हो रही है?
क्या प्रॉब्लम है कृति से
Oh,
आप लोग को?
sorry, Kriti Sanon.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard
Kriti
Tripti
Sanon
Damle.
is
Kriti Sanon,
okay.
sorry.
Oh no, Kriti Sanon.
Yeah,
Bro,
Kriti
Kriti
Sanon.
Sanon. I think the last.
But I can't imagine Kriti as being a
Bro.
fit for the
No,
movie.
man, you'll find it.
the best option.
Why not?
बट मेरा बेंचमार्क भी प्रियंका चोपड़ा है. आई डोंट थिंक
यार फिर वो तो नहीं भी हो पा रहा ना यार.
प्रियंका को वापस ले आओ.
वो तो जीने जरा में होएगा
वापस
फिर.
लाना
प्लीज
पड़ेगा.
प्रियंका
जीने
कम
जरा
बैक.
Bro, Dawn 3 with Shahrukh and Priyanka.
Oh, that'll break the internet.
प्लीज.
Bro,
Yeah. And that'll break Gauri Khan also.
if you fucking want a 2000 crore film,
Yeah.
if you want a 2000 crore film,
Gauri Khan, sorry, don't sue us.
that's
No,
Dawn
this is
3
not
film.
defamation. If it's
I'll
not.
be in the theater the whole day watching
Yeah.
all the shows.
सारे shows देख लेंगे. सारे shows
For
देख
sure, bro.
लेंगे. एक के बाद एक.
Bro, another thing that we have to talk about is the love and war thing.
Bro, it is a never-ending thing, dude. And how is it fucking Sanjay Leela Bhansali every time?
So what has happened again, if for someone who
Yeah.
might not know or might not be reading up about this stuff, is Love and War का shooting चल रही है. Love and War
Yeah.
is Sanjay Leela Bhansali
चल
next
ही
movie.
रही है. चल ही रही
Yeah,
है.
it's Sanjay Leela
साल
Bhansali's.
हो गए.
अभी भी चल रही है.
अभी
Sanjay-
भी बच्ची है.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's Sanjay Leela Bhansali's next movie starring Alia Bhatt, Ranbir Kapoor, and Vicky Kaushal in like a love triangle. Okay.
अभी तक चल रही है.
Yeah. So what they're saying is that the
की
shoot.
शूटिंग चलती जा
हाँ,
रही है.
जल्दी जा रही है. Elongate. They're still saying it. They're just keep
still
saying
saying
it.
it.
Yeah.
एक
it's never
और
ending.
फुल फोटो लीक हो गया है. अभी जस्ट.
Oh, is it another one of Ranbir smoking a cigarette, looking how tense,
भाई रणबीर sitting on a rock and drinking water.
drinking water, smoking a cigarette, कुछ तो हाँ.
And it's so funny, सारे leaks रणबीर आलिया के ही हो रहे हैं. विक्की का कोई लीक नहीं हो रहा.
Yeah, correct.
क्योंकि विक्की कटरीना के साथ है ना. कटरीना का सीक्रेट एजेंट गेम बहुत अच्छा है. वो पूरी प्रेगनेंसी निकाल ली उसने बिना मीडिया को पता चले.
That is true. I agree.
So anyway, what has happened then is that
शूटिंग चल रही है
हाँ
लव एंड वॉर
और वही चल रही है
और
वही
पांच
चलती जा रही है।
पांच गाने
Because-
भी बचे हैं
yeah, so it has become never ending at this point, and apparently Ranbir is having a tough time because
Yeah.
he wants to be working on Ramayana.
Ramayan, yeah.
And
and
other
he
projects.
also wants a significant gap between the release of Love and War and Ramayan, which is also fair.
Yeah, but apparently Sanjay Leela Bhansali does not want that to be the case because he has like a release date in mind.
Which is 14th of August,
Yeah, and Ramayana has a release date in mind,
which is Diwali.
yeah, which is not.
But now the
yeah.
thing is कि this was
no, but Love and War में लग रहा है postpone हो जाएगी.
so that's what. So Love and War was supposed to be 2025 December, which Ranbir was fine with कि भाई almost
एक साल.
10 महीने का difference है. Fine. Then I think it got shifted to April or May, which was again Ranbir was okay with it. Then it shifted to August, which made Ranbir a little irritated कि भाई क्या चल रहा है ये. But he was still apparently okay with it. But now that he's saying कि he will have to push it further क्योंकि उसको 70 days का पैच वर्क और करना है 70 दिन का शूट करना है
अबे
जिसके
इसमें-
अंदर 5 गाने पूरे फुल फ्लेजेड शूट
Love and War के?
yeah
हाँ.
and
That's more than 2 months, bro.
and then
Time ही कितना बचा है?
yeah, and then he says that there are some grand level entry sequences, dance sequences that he wants to shoot. So these are all source said things reported. None of them are claims. But the thing is that
क्लेम कहाँ ही होगा वो
मोटा
थोड़ी
मोटी
रणबीर
बात
है
ये है कि 70-80 दिन का शूट बाकी है जिसके अंदर 5 गाने होने हैं, ग्रैंड सीक्वेंसेस होने हैं.
तो ये टोटल क्या था कि 400 दिन का शूट था क्या टोटल क्या था?
पता नहीं तो क्या सीन
चलते
है.
ही जा रहा है दैट्स
चलते-
व्हाई
वही ना.
apparently रणबीर इज
Now
completely
now-
miffed.
Bro, he's like कि बंद कर दो पिक्चर मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैं
Bro,
चला जाता हूं.
apparently, so another thing that this is what I've heard. Another thing that Ranveer has a problem with is that the chemistry of Vicky and Alia in the movie is coming off as way better than Ranveer and Alia in the movie.
we have seen Brahmastra
Yes,
so we
exactly.
know
Yeah, so he's getting insecure about that shit also.
also रणबीर थोड़ा पक भी गया है कि घर पे भी आलिया ऑफिस में भी आलिया बहुत हो गया है
But नहीं, genuinely यार see मतलब ये तो चलो ठीक है, jokes for jokes purposes it's fine, but then bro, if you have like a project like Ramayan coming out, you obviously don't want any other project around it, and
But-
Yeah,
especially your own project,
Yeah, yeah,
which in
absolutely.
itself is so ambitious at this
Correct,
point. Love and War is भाई Love and War का जब announcement poster आया था ना, इंटरनेट फट गया था कि आलिया, रणबीर, विक्की, भाई crazy
Correct.
shit.
Agreed.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
But this is Alia's get ना रणबीर has Ramayan in his kitty आलिया के लिए this is the next big project so maybe she is not मतलब she doesn't want any shortcomings on it
Bro, that is fine, but then
so
Ranbir
it's
is not
tricky
wrong. Ranbir
He's
is not wrong with
yeah.
this. Ranbir
Yeah.
is right.
But it's tricky because they are also partners. So they have to think about each other
but
also.
I think Ranbir deserves a good 1 month, 1.5 month run with Ramayan easily.
yeah.
I mean, yeah, fair.
because he started looking so tired. So apparently he's
तो
I
वही
mean,
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि
रणवीर को
like-
लगता होगा कि यार मेरी हर पिक्चर ऐसे डिले हो जाती है
because I think that also happened with Shamshera.
No, नहीं,
Shamshera?
it happened with
जग्गा जासूस.
जग्गा
नहीं,
जासूस.
नहीं, वो ठीक है. The film that got released very close to Brahmastra. What was the name?
Shamshera only, yes.
Shamshera only, no?
Shamshera completely tanked. Yes, it was Shamshera.
शमशेरा थी ना.
Yeah, yeah.
तो अगेन दैट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी रणबीर्स कमबैक क्योंकि कुछ टाइम से उसने कुछ पिक्चर नहीं करी थी एंड रणबीर आई थिंक संजू के बाद उसने शायद सीधा संजू के बाद आई थिंक उसने डायरेक्टली शमशेरा
नहीं,
करी है.
तू झूठी की होगी
नहीं
ना.
तू झूठी तो
तू झूठी was after Brahmastra.
आफ्टर ब्रह्मास्त्र yes yes
Fuck, I completely forgot.
एनीवे जो भी है कुछ 2 साल के गैप के बाद आया था विद शमशेरा एंड पीपल वर वेरी हाइप कि उसमें उसका डबल रोल है, 2 तरीके के अलग लुक हैं एंड देन बट द मोस्ट हाइप प्रोजेक्ट वाज ब्रह्मास्त्र.
Yeah, yeah.
Which again probably like a lot of people didn't like it, but then it at least made the bucks, like not as expected, but it
Yeah.
still made some amount back, right?
We'll now see a sequel, apparently.
Bro, I think we'll see a sequel because Ayan क्या ही कर रहा है ना और
Bro,
But
what
Ayan-
else does he
but
have?
Ayan
War
ने
two-
ही War 2 खराब की है ना
I know, but then तभी तो उसको फिर I think उससे निकाल दिया ना franchise से.
हाँ,
ही.
तो
I-
उसके
I
पास
don't-
पैसे भी तो होने
So the
चाहिए ना
thing is,
ब्रह्मास्त्र
yeah,
2 बनाने के
Brahmastra
लिए
2, Brahmastra 1
पैसे
didn't earn
और
enough.
गुडविल जो कि दोनों ही चली गई है अभी
I agree, but then again, what I wanted to say was that I understand where Ranbir is also coming from. कि भाई he needs a good 1-2 month run with Ramayan.
Yeah, I heard of that.
Nobody is gonna dare to match or like fight with Ramayana at this point.
Also, the looks that have been leaked are too mediocre.
of Love or
Of Love and War, जो वो दोनों
हाँ,
के
मतलब
हर
यार-
तीसरे दिन वो pictures आ जाते हैं top angle
Like
से.
that's
They
exactly
don't-
the look that Diljit had in Border 2.
वो एक
Yeah.
मुच्छी के साथ.
हाँ
And Alia's look also looks so.
मतलब राइट एज ऑफ नाउ लव एंड वॉर की एक्साइटमेंट जितनी होनी चाहिए थी मेरा तो नेगेटिव में चल रहा है.
मेरा भी, I am not interested.
Yeah, I'm still interested. I'll still
Like we'll all watch it because it's SLB and it's Ranbir and it's Alia, it's Vicky, all of that.
exactly,
But then
That's
the
enough, man,
hype, nahi bhai, the hype that the movie was supposed to have, we don't have it right now.
Yeah.
Or maybe
fair,
if they
yeah.
release a kick-ass trailer after all this hard work, then maybe.
Imagine after all this delayed shooting and all that, they release a trailer filled with VFX.
No, I don't think I don't think
हाँ
that
मतलब
would
Bansali is not that
Bansali,
happen.
हाँ.
With the
director
set
though.
that he has
अगर-
made,
No,
he
correct.
wouldn't need
And
so
अगर
much.
VFX किया भी, I think it'll be good VFX.
Let's hope so, bro.
Bansali, yeah.
Because King के VFX तो मैं उतना कुछ था नहीं वैसे.
Oh, नहीं, it's,
Wait, King and Spirit are coming out together, is it?
no,
No, King is December, 25th December.
Toxic and Dhurandhar 2 are coming out.
Toxic
But
and Dhurandhar
Spirit,
2 are coming together.
Spirit is coming out around this thing, no?
Spirit is December.
Spirit is 2026 only or 27?
Yeah, है तो इसी साल में.
Yeah, I think.
But I don't know if it's December. or not.
I think they're clashing again.
Bro, if they're clashing in, it's going to be crazy because
Yeah.
Vanga
Abhi
released that trailer.
Salar and Donkey Giri also they clashed. No, they clashed. SRK and Prabhas.
Prabhas. And अभी उसने वांगा ने वो भी तो डाल दिया India's biggest star.
Exactly.
Prabhas.
And इसने डाला कि there is only one king. सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा ने. सिद्धार्थ आनंद ने.
But बात ये है कि King का teaser मुझे पसंद तो आया नहीं बिल्कुल.
Dude, I think
And this time it's not-
It's a post Dhurandhar world, bro. I think trailers have to grab attention in,
Bro, I
in
think
a lot more
so. I'll
bombastic
tell
way.
you, with Dhurandhar 2, what I feel is Dhurandhar का hype अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
Dude, they don't need to release anything.
Dhurandhar 2 के साथ
अभी उसका ट्रेलर इस धुरंधर 1 ही
नहीं नहीं धुरंधर 2 का वो कर भी नहीं रहा है. I think
करना भी नहीं चाहिए, जरूरत ही नहीं
March 5th को वो एक गाना रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
मुझे हाँ फिर सीधा फिर पिक्चर ही आ रही है भाई क्योंकि महीना भी नहीं बचा अब तो.
जरूरत ही नहीं है, bro.
I'm so hyped. So hyped.
18th,
जरूरत ही नहीं
19th,
है.
19th.
19th March.
Correct.
Bro, we are like sitting at what?
ब्रो अब्बास के बिना हम धुरंधर के बारे में इतनी अच्छे से बातें कर सकते हैं. Nice,
But everyone who has watched Dhurandhar after it has come on Netflix
Yeah.
also have good things to say about the movie.
Bhai, it's trending number 1 in Pakistan.
I mean,
What are the
yeah,
odds,
yeah,
dude?
yeah.
What are the fucking odds?
So it is a well-made movie. बाद में जो उसकी technicalities हैं, propaganda वगैरह वो मैं नहीं जाऊंगी.
वो तुम ऋतिक रोशन से बात कर लेना.
But,
नहीं मतलब you cannot say कि नहीं है but then
नहीं, I
it's-
don't.
it's- हाँ.
Yeah.
जो भी है वो
I really
I
like-
won't want to comment on that. But it is a well-made, solid movie. Solid.
I really liked Anurag Kashyap's review of it on Letterboxd. The way he had broken it down was very good. Yeah.
सेम ऋतिक ने भी सेम बात बोली थी
ऋतिक ने भी
उसने
वही
भी
बात
सेम बात बोली है.
पर अनुराग ने Letterboxd में बोल दिया, which is
हाँ
like a
ऋतिक ने स्टोरी
platform.
पर बोली है.
हाँ,
हाँ बस और क्या
हाँ
है.
ऋतिक स्टोरी पर डाल देता
भाई
है.
ऋतिक का Instagram game bro, it literally looks like a second year student of DU bro. I'm telling you, just go and check it out.
So lastly on this episode, I think we should talk about the two movies coming out this week.
Wow,
Which
for
is
SEO
O Romeo,
purposes.
O Romeo and Tuya Main. I plan to watch both of them. I'm quite excited for
course,
both of them.
I'm
course,
excited
of
for Tuya Main. I don't have high hopes for O Romeo.
Oh really?
sadly, yeah.
Wow, that's
I
a hot
wanted-
take.
Vishal Bhardwaj
I know,
bro.
but it looks like Vishal Bhardwaj wanted to do massy cinema. That is what it looks like.
पता है वैसे very honestly ट्रेलर से ऐसा लग रहा है कि विशाल भारद्वाज wanted to do animal and then he thought कि बट मैं एनिमल बनाऊंगा तो मेरा ऐसा
मेरा क्रेड खराब है.
इंटेलेक्ट खत्म हो जाएगा तो इसलिए मैं इसको
तो मैं इसको
Love story बना दो.
नहीं नहीं मैं आर्ट्सी बनाता हूँ
आर्ट्सी
बट
बनाता
मैं
हूँ.
दिशा पठानी को टाइट सूट पहना देता हूँ. एकदम ही
Nice.
skin fitted.
Nice. Bro, हाँ, she was like the Disha Padani comes on screen.
What was that?
And Kirti is like, इस सूट में ये सांस कैसे ले रही है?
मैंने देखा नहीं है
Please,
ट्रेलर.
that पान की दुकान वाला
हाँ,
song
वो
में
नहीं, वो देखा.
She's wearing like a salwar suit.
is wearing a salwar suit which okay विशाल भारद्वाज आपने दिशा को सलवार सूट पहना तो दिया but इससे ज्यादा कवरेज तो बिकनी में ही होती है. सब कुछ पता चल रहा है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो bro?
I mean, like, it's not exposing anything.
It's not exposing.
It's just like super tight for a salwar suit.
It's just second skin like snake.
Yeah. कुछ है नहीं.
so
bro वो
fitted.
सोचो भाई वो शूट के टाइम पे छींक दी.
Right.
I don't even know how she got into it.
Yeah, really.
like a body
Like,
sleeve or
can't.
something.
Yeah.
What the fuck bro? I haven't seen it.
So yeah,
Oh,
But yeah, but I am very excited about Tuya Main.
I'm
genuinely.
very
I'm actually
excited
very
about
excited
Tuya
about
Main.
Tuya Main because
Also,
yeah.
their chemistry looks so good. So I'm very
Shania and-
excited.
Shania and Crocodile.
Others.
Adarsh
Oh,
Gaurav.
sorry.
That was a good
Sorry,
one.
Adarsh. Fan of the show.
I love Adarsh.
Adarsh is
Gaurav.
great.
Oh,
I
Adarsh is bro. The best part. मुझे तो
He's been on our shows, by the way.
huh?
He's been on our
our
shows.
show. Yes, and absolute delight to talk to.
Delight.
And so charming, man. Oh my god.
And great singer, great actor.
sings And acts so well.
Bro, I'll
Full
tell you a very
package.
funny thing. So when he came onto the show, he was wearing like an Adidas Superstar exclusive sneaker, right? So I looked at it and I was like, bro, crazy shoes. And you know what I was about to say कि मैंने उसके जूते देखे बोलने वाला था, मैं कहा bro, crazy shoes. यार, I really wanted them, but you know, I hate the fact that like brands like Adidas and Nike give those shoes to people who can easily afford it. They would like just
You
give it
said
to
this?
bro. ये मैं बोलने वाला था कि उसने बातों काट के बोला, oh bro, you like them, I don't know anything about them, just Adidas just gave them to me कि मैं उसका फोटो डाल पाऊँ. And I'm like, bro, मैं thank God तुमने ये चीज एक सेंटेंस पहले बोल दी.
Nice. Dude, like he had been on Just a Filmy Game Show with Sanjana Sanghi, who's by the way getting married now. She just got announced. Yeah, she's getting married to. Just check, no, to someone. I'm forgetting the name of the
I'm
actor.
sure someone, yes.
Yeah. Anyway, so Adarsh Gaurav, okay, and I got talking when he was on, and it turned out we had a common friend named Tarit Gautam, who after like in our college days, we would spend a lot of time after hours at Tarit's place chilling and all, dude.
Oh, with Adarsh.
No, that's what. So Adarsh used to stay in Tarit's building, and I was in Tarit's college. So I would go after college and all. And others would go to his house like on days that Tarat had bunked college and not gone to college. Others would go and chill with Tarat all the time apparently.
Yeah, that's what now, like when you were talking to him, he actually felt like ki, okay, you know, he's just another guy who's our age and we're cracking jokes on the same things we are.
And that's why he's a good actor
He's,
because
bro,
he has life experience.
Great
yeah.
actor and bro, an even better singer. Like I shouldn't say even better singer, but like
Great singer
a
also.
great singer also, dude.
Great singer. I love
Yep.
his singing. Or Instagram pe he puts these videos.
हाँ, he puts these
Yeah.
videos out, yeah.
With Lisa Mishra.
लीजा में वो तो अभी डाला है, वरना वो नॉर्मल बस कैमरा रिकॉर्ड करके गाना भी स्टार्ट कर देता है. ब्रो क्रेजी है, बहुत क्रेजी. एंड I'm actually, ये मैंने पहले भी एपिसोड से बोला है, आई थिंक for some reason I've started liking Shania, bro.
I think Shania is coming for all of Ananya's
Bro, I swear.
sober Mumbai roles.
And
She's like, I'll take.
I think bro, Shania is better than all these people.
Better
when
than
it-
Ananya.
Bro, luck to
At
race,
least
man. I
presence
hope.
to.
Yeah, I hope.
Maybe I think it's also the company. It's your co-actor. I feel it's the two of them together that is
Probably.
creating
See,
this.
because
on screen.
Kedarnath mein we liked
Bro.
Sara also.
Yeah.
Bro, so they are saying this, okay? So like apparently now, for the next few Nepo kids being launched, right? This is gonna be the process, okay? Like the first movie may not, whatever.
Her first movie was also with Vikrant.
That's what. That's
And
what.
he was not bad, and she was not bad in the film,
Oh,
actually.
yeah. You've seen
Yeah,
it?
I've seen it. She
So
was not
anyway,
bad,
so
yeah.
what they'll apparently do is the Nepo baby will be opposite an actor of some renown or who's considered a good actor.
Good actor, yeah.
Okay? Not necessarily a big star, a good actor.
Audience की
So
आंखों
that,
में धूल झोंकना
firstly, yeah, exactly. So that the Nepo baby looks firstly better by acting in front of this thing. And also it's like acting is reacting, right? In a
Yeah.
way. So if you share screen space
You,
with them,
you must know you've studied acting at
Yeah.
Anupam Kher's
Yeah.
School of
you know,
Acting. Yes,
that's the
of
most cliche way of putting it. But yes, acting is reacting.
Yeah,
Subtle,
it's
subtle.
reacting, guys. And he paid 5 lakhs to learn that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like that increase every 1 lakh every time we talk about it. I actually paid 7 lakhs to just be there for 2 days. That makes no
it's
sense.
like acting is reacting. Anupam Kher came and he said acting is reacting.
Now react to what I'm saying.
And the second line that he said was kuch bhi ho sakta hai, and then he went.
And then he said, मैंने कौन सी पिक्चर है वो?
Tanvi the Great.
नहीं.
नहीं पुरानी
पुरानी क्या है यार?
विरासत
सारांश.
मैंने सारांश में क्या
अरे
काम किया
सारांश
था?
में मैंने क्या काम किया है? You know, I was only 20 this much and I was playing 80 this much.
Oh, were you, sir?
Can you stop scolding me? Every interviewer he scolds the hell out of me.
Yeah, dude,
Anupam
for
Kher
sure.
का वो चलचित्र वाला interview.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, crazy.
Oh bro, that's so
Great.
awkward.
Damn-
That is so
damn for you,
awkward.
damn for you.
Second hand embarrassed.
आपने देखी है?
Yeah.
तन्वी द ग्रेट. नहीं सर, मैं एक्चुअली नहीं. आपने देखी है कि नहीं देखी? नहीं देखी. क्यों नहीं देखी? मुझे बताओ क्यों
नहीं,
मैं
नहीं, नहीं।
उनको इंटरव्यू ही नहीं देता जिन्होंने
he starts saying कि देखो आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, अगर आप मेरा इंटरव्यू, आपको पता है मेरा इंटरव्यू कर रहे हो आप, तो
हाँ,
आपको देखनी चाहिए
थी,
देखनी चाहिए आपको।
सी ही इज राइट आल्सो एक्चुअली। आप अनुपम खेर की अगर आप
क्या
इंटरव्यू के लिए
is-
यार अगर आप किसी एक्टर को बुला रहे हो तो उसका रीसेंट प्रोजेक्ट तो आपको देखना ही
तो
चाहिए
सर
ना।
आप मत
Correct.
करिए
But you know what
interviews,
his
आप-
reply was? You know what Munjal's reply was? Vaibhav Munjal's. He said कि dude sir ये हमारा कल रात को लॉक हुआ है इंटरव्यू,
हाँ, he was
तो
also right,
how
yeah.
do I? It's not possible.
And if you are so moralistic, then don't promote your movie. कि
Yeah.
मैं उसी को इंटरव्यू दूंगा जो
I mean,
देख के आएगा।
see, not that I
तो
like,
बैठो घर पे।
not that I like either of those people, so they can eat each other for what I get. But what's right is right. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
fair, ठीक है, I understand.
Yeah. So both of them have like a good, like a correct point of view, of course. But there's no need to mention it, dude, in an interview on air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's no need to keep it in the episode also.
And
So
he
again,
just-
you're both wrong.
And he just did it again and again and again, as in it went
And
for quite
dude,
a
it
long
became so
time.
and became so awkward for the rest of the
Yeah,
interview.
for
How do
the
you
for the rest of the day.
how do you
yes.
come back
Yeah.
from that, dude?
Hence कुछ भी हो सकता है and acting is reacting.
Acting is real.
Acting is reacting. Acting is reacting.
Bro, खोसला खोसला 2 भी बन रही है क्या?
Yeah, बन गए ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 स्केड्यूल रैप हो गए हैं भाई।
अच्छा।
Yeah.
हाँ यार क्या दिन चल रहे हैं भाई। Let's-
दे आर बेसिकली रियलाइजिंग कि हम नई पिक्चर नहीं बना सकते तो पुरानी पिक्चर के आगे 2 लगा के
Yeah.
नई पिक्चर बना के दे देते हैं,
हाँ।
थोड़ा पैसा रिकवर हो जाएगा।
चलो ठीक है। And that's about it, man. We've covered everything that we wanted.
Yeah, all the horrors of the industry we've talked about.
Yeah.
What
this-
else?
this-
What
this-
else? Is there any other horror left?
Rajpal Yadav in jail is a horror.
Yeah, and I think उसका
हो जाएगा
हो
tomorrow.
ठीक है,
Like
हो जाएगा।
we record this on Wednesday. Thursday को उसकी bail hearing है and apparently Akshay Kumar and all these people have stepped up and they're gonna
Sure,
repay
but
his
as a person who promotes fraud awareness in the world from the bank's
Oh,
perspective,
हाँ, you-
he
yes.
has committed a fraud and he's in jail.
He's not in jail yet.
He's in jail.
Oh, अच्छा अभी मतलब अभी 2 दिन पहले
हाँ,
गया
हाँ,
है and अब उसका bail
उसने
hearing है।
फ्रॉड किया और वो जेल गया, तो वो
Correct.
बेचारा नहीं है।
she's right. She's not wrong.
हाँ मतलब
तो
on
हम
paper
उसको
yes.
Yeah.
सेव कर रहे हैं जैसे कि
See,
हम कोई
But the thing is, like, the thing is, no. Firstly, we know how he became this. He tried to,
I
as
know.
an as a complete outsider in the industry, he tried to make a
Whatever.
movie,
Whatever.
and it don't work. And then he
Agar
became
if
a
he was
Bets.
in a fix, he knew he was in a fix since before his check bounced. There must have been notices and
तो वही तो है
whatnot.
एक्चुअल
तो
में जो
he
आई थिंक
should
प्राइस
have
मनी था दैट वाज
But
5
bro-
CR और 4 CR और ये जो बाउंस हो के पेनल्टी लग के
हाँ।
इंटरेस्ट बढ़
तो
बढ़ के
इतने
अब जाके 9
पैसे की
CR
जरूरत थी
बने।
तो पहले तुम ये
So-
स्टेटमेंट रिलीज करते और पहले लोग पैसे देते। अब तुम जेल जा चुके हो तो गिविंग बैक द मनी वोंट हेल्प इट बिकॉज
Dude,
द
like-
चेक बाउंस केस इज अ चेक बाउंस केस, दैट इज अ क्राइम, दैट्स
So what people say, right, is like if you want money from me, don't come to me when the bill is 9 crores. Come to me the first day you default. Okay, so I can help you then in the beginning. So default होएगा ही नहीं.
You have
Okay.
been
So
evading
like that.
the law, so
Like that,
you are
yes.
in jail for that.
But it is possible. Like in an interview, or in multiple interviews, I think he said कि Bollywood में कोई सगा नहीं है. Nobody really helps you in the industry.
तो
That's why I'm
बाबा
fucked.
आप मत
So
लिए लोन, मत ले आप इतना लोन जो आप पे ना कर
a
सके।
person has to dream, man.
हमारे बैंक का लॉस होता है यार, समझते हो NPA
हमारे बैंक का कौन से चशा ने
भाई-
कागजात साइन
भाई-
नहीं किए?
NPA बढ़ रहा है।
If I ever get a chance to scam bank, I will.
Stop saying
I'm just
the
saying.
name of the bank. I
I'm just
cannot
saying-
do it.
Oh, you can't?
Yeah, no, don't
Oh,
say the
okay.
name of the bank.
Beep the name.
Beep the
Zinger.
name, beep the
Beep.
name, beep the name.
Beep the name.
Yeah, whatever bank.
All right. Cool, man. That was a very fun episode, actually. I
बहुत
think.
मजा आया भाई। I don't know people यहाँ तक सुनेंगे कि नहीं सुनेंगे, but it was a very fun episode to me at least.
Yeah, it's a
Same.
good time. Remember always, ना दे दिल तू एक्सेल नो तेरा
नितदा रोना पै जूगा।
Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
Happy
and
Friday
like,
the 13th.
Unlike me, I hope you guys are on a date.
Yes,
On
correct.
14th.
But
and-
don't overpay because it's Valentine's.
Don't overpay?
Yeah.
Or don't overspend, you mean?
No, but these restaurants charge extra
Oh,
cover
on
and all
Valentine's,
for
yes.
Valentine's.
Yeah, अच्छा,
Don't do
अच्छा.
that.
Correct,
Don't do that,
हाँ,
guys.
yeah,
Please, it's capitalism.
That's fair, you're right. Yeah.
How can you be taking a bank's side
Yeah.
in one sentence
Correct.
and then calling out capitalism in the other?
Yeah, dude.
Bro, like just
Choose a
at
side,
this-
dude. Yeah, dude.
Fuck, bro.
I'm a person of varied taste.
Uh,
Wow.
Please follow everything else I'm doing. Check out That Filmy Game Show. We just released an episode with Khamba and Salsha. That's been doing rather well for us. We are releasing an episode with Sumugi and Prashasti this week. So that should be a lot of fun. Check out Spender Bendo. Check out Broke Studio. That's a podcast I'm helping shoot. Check out Tis Markasam. Also something that I'm a part of.
Also, guys, we haven't done a giveaway in the past month.
Oh,
I
shit,
think,
a month?
Bro, mahina ho gaya.
Scam, guys, scam.
Shit.
So,
Oh,
last-
damn. Sorry, guys.
Fraud
Dude,
awareness.
next week I say let's do 2.
2 giveaways in the same episode.
Yeah. So like instead like by that we mean like caramel के 2 लोग जीत सकते हैं और
एंड सॉल्टेड के भी
membership 2
दो लोग जीत सकते हैं. तो मतलब कैरमल वालों को 4 टिकट मिलने वाला है एंड सॉल्टेड वाले भाई
हम कंगाल
ओवर प्रॉमिस तो नहीं करते.
So now we have to.
बट ठीक है. एनीवे 2 मूवीज आ रही हैं. तू या मैं आ रही है और ओ रोमियो आ रही है.
Yeah.
तो और हमने कुछ टाइम से गिव अवे किया भी नहीं है. सो वी गोइंग टू डू
Dude और अगले महीने फिर ये भी तो आ रही है धुरंधर
भी आ रही है.
तो
So a lot of giveaways coming up and special episodes also coming up. Next week, promise we're going to do 2 giveaways in the same episode. 2 giveaways for Salted, 2 giveaways
please
for
do.
Caramel.
So please tune in for that.
Yeah, and join the membership. These giveaways are only for members. And
Also, we as a unit, as a team, are taking up work together
Yes.
as in production, in writing, in podcasting and hosting,
podcasting, everything.
in front of camera and behind. So if you have projects, if you're someone who works in the PR of your company or in the what other department can they, in the business
Marketing,
department, business
business
development.
dev.
Yeah.
आपको मैं आपको बेसिकली बताता हूँ. आपकी कंपनी कहती है कि यार ये हमारी कंपनी को और लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए. बिल्कुल सही सोच रही है.
But to reach those people, you need all kinds of help. We will guide you through all that because
Yeah.
that's what we do. That's what we're awesome at. We do this for a lot of shows, a lot of podcasts already, a lot of YouTube channels already.
आपको पॉडकास्ट बनाना है, हम है ना. आपको शूट करनी है चीजें, हम है. मतलब ऐसा कैमरा पे शूट करनी है चीजें. तो हम है ना. आपको कंटेंट स्ट्रेटजी बनानी है, ब्रांड बिल्डिंग करनी है. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हम सब मिलके करेंगे. ठीक है. सो प्लीज गेट इन टच विद अस. अगर आपको कहीं से भी ऐसी कोई लीड मिलती है विच यू थिंक दैट अ प्रोडक्शन हाउस कैन हैंडल, अ प्रोडक्शन हाउस लाइक फिल्मी कोलाडा कैन हैंडल, प्लीज गेट इन टच विद अस. DM the page, DM Antariksh, DM Abbas, DM me. We're gonna get in touch with you.
Also, potential sponsors, I have an idea. We will shout out your business, however small or however big it is, for 20,000 an episode. Let's make it work. All right. Bye, guys. See you again next week.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.